just gonna pray that it's good to go. All right. Okay. So what was your question? Sorry. Also, I won't be able to see my chat on stream for a moment because YouTube is pretending it doesn't exist. But yeah, what's your question about thing?
Display screen in viewport something.
Okay. Yeah. So
let me try to think of good words for this. And I think you get what I'm saying.
I don't. Is the fun part.
Okay.
So my question,
like how in OBS I can just say like display this window, but like in Godot, or not this window, but like this portion of a screen.
So you want to inside of Godot?
Yes.
You don't want to capture, like you want to say, I'm in Godot, I'm playing the game. I want you to show my Discord window, for example.
Yes, in Godot. Or I would probably just a screen, because this is for the stream. So it would display like the section of screen that I want the stream to show.
Let me think about it for a second.
Because if not, I could always just like make it a frame in OBS and then just like position the stream behind that, but that's a little sketchy.
Give me a second. But I need to think about it because that's because usually things like that are not, usually something like that is a little bit more Windows sided, like Windows the operating system.
Yeah,
which is sometimes not something we like to mess with.
Maybe I should just switch to Linux.
So the problem is I don't think that would fix it, because that's like I don't know if Godot would have something to be able to capture an outside window.
Yeah.
Let me see. Actually, I'm gonna take a quick look through a couple of things and see if feature screen. Oh, hold on. Almost, perhaps. That would be fucking wild if this was just a thing that we have access to.
Yeah, because I tried looking it up, but like the only thing that I could find is like how to take screenshot in Godot, because it's like, what do you call it? Screen capture, screen record, like all of those are words for not what I want. Yeah, we definitely need to make phased only melee or physical attacks, because right now you just get it like infinitely, because you get the effect by default, and then it's like
it is disabled on the Steam build right now.
Okay, cool. Which we can push up soon, the full version.
Yeah, there were a couple of bugs that JW ran into that are fixed currently, but
yeah. What operating system do you use? I use Windows because I love Windows. Yeah, you didn't turn on shared chat.
Oh, you're so right.
Yeah,
you're so right.
Windows 11 specifically. I love Windows 11. It's such a good.
He's lying.
Operating system.
Windows 11 is finally making JW consider switching to Linux, which is fucking crazy.
Yeah, because I'm stupid and I don't know how things work. Finally a Windows enjoyer? Yeah, I love it. Great.
Finally a Windows enjoyer. So Windows is an unfortunate one because I really like the feeling of Windows for the most part. It's just that I don't like the company behind Windows and what they keep doing to the operating system. Like if Windows 10 if Windows 10 didn't like stop being like if they didn't push Windows 11 so hard and put so much AI in Windows 11, like and then they just like kept like long-term supporting Windows 10, I don't know if I would have made the jump to Linux. But the Linux that I got just feels like Windows as much as I can, so. Hi, Callie. What's up?
Is this doing the thing where it stacks 1 billion of them on top of each other?
Huh? What'd you say?
Sorry, I'm trying to test something. Oh, I can turn up the speed scale probably to get this to work, right?
You can.
Time scale. I can't tell. Is it?
Hi, Callie. No, I don't want you up here. I'm sorry. I love you, but
Oh,
no.
why is it? Oh!
It's because
That was interesting.
Yeah, it's because you have the time scale turned up a lot, and Screen Shake does weird
Is it
things
the-
sometimes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that is very cool. Okay, I guess it's not stacking. It's just the effect might be a little too strong, I think.
What am I doing? I need like a debug something. Callie, no, fuck off. I love you, but please, please. I've given you so much attention, and now you're like, oh, you're streaming. You're about to start typing. Time for me to get in the way. My creature, evil fucking
The creature.
evil creature. Callie, I mean it. I will blow you up.
I must have put screenshot thing in Godot is pretty easy with Windows. I'll answer later. Okay, see ya. Good luck.
Callie, no, fuck off, please.
Oh, why am I running at 2 FPS? Hello?
I don't know.
That is... Why am I... Why was I lagging so bad?
I don't know. You might have too
Oh,
many
well, it's
things
your
in the
problem.
tree that didn't free themselves. Can you take a look at the tree and see if there's anything in there that's fucked up and evil?
Whoa, look at that pause menu.
Yeah, it's a pause menu. Oh, that's a lot of errors. 25,000?
Oh. Yeah.
You know what it might be? There might be things that are, Oh, yeah. That's fun. So it's probably that, actually. If you clear the console, it'll probably fix it.
Why did it do that exactly?
Because you set the time scale so high. It
Oh, it's
probably,
from the time scale.
Yeah, some physics
No,
thing
but-
probably
Okay, I don't
hit
know.
like a NAND thing or
Yeah.
whatever.
I don't know. But anyways, that guy in chat is the one with the funny stream setup that I sent you the other day.
Oh, yeah.
So I was asking them about
With
questions.
was that the thing with
yeah.
the like arm that stretches out from the
Yeah.
model? Yeah.
Yeah, and that's made in Godot apparently. So
That's sick.
yeah, so they were gonna send me some stuff on how they did it, cause they're goated like that. Yeah, is it still doing it? Yeah, it's still giving me the errors though. It's because and I don't have like the physics up, so I don't know what's.
Yeah, take a look at see if there's anything in the level or like anything that's persistent in the level that's just like shouldn't be there. Because it could be like a gib or something that got sent to fucking inf or whatever. Oh, hey.
What?
There's a lot of gibs still in the tree. Is the game paused?
Yeah.
If you unpause the game and then let things despawn.
Yeah, I mean, there's a bunch right now, as you can see. There's
Yeah.
like a lot now. Still lagging a bit. There are a few here. Oh, wait, this from me. Did I just shoot? I don't think I did. They should be all gone now.
Take a look at the position and see if they are just like in some weird spot.
425, 124. It's not that weird.
Just in the filter properties, just like type in position so you don't have to scroll every time. Okay. My bad.
1000, I don't know.
Are there still errors in the console?
I don't know. I didn't clear them, but I can clear them. I'm pretty sure there still are. Yeah. Looks like they're gone now. It's still kind of lagging, but I think
Yeah,
that
and
might
then
also
look
just
at the
be
console and
because-
see if there are things printing still. Doesn't
No.
look like it. Yeah, I don't
What if
know.
I shoot? Yeah. It's just like any gib.
Collision. Can you... What line number is that?
9.
9. Move and slide.
Just move and slide.
Must be normalized. Move and slide. Direction's not being set? Is that like a... Is that an SMG issue? Sure isn't. Do you have any weird stickers on the SMG at all?
No.
No, it's just an SMG.
And it's not just the SMG, it's like anything, I'm pretty sure. Because it was like the enemies were causing it too, because like when I killed them, it like lagged a bunch.
Reload the level. Like do a Shift R LS1 or level select 1. And then see if clear the... It's fine, man.
What?
Nothing. I'm learning something about like a lot of people who are not like very programmer minded. I was helping debug something with one of my coworkers on Friday. And oh,
Nope, now we got a different one.
that's a lightning
That's
affinity issue.
That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah,
I don't even know
I was
if
trying to
that's
help my
setting
coworker
up
with an issue on Friday. And one of the things that he was
Why are they
not
exploding. I guess the exploding item.
one of the things that he did not what the fuck am I trying to say? That he didn't think about was like just like isolating one thing, testing that independently, but instead like whenever we change something, he would just like try to run it against everything instead of just being like, okay, well we changed something, let's examine things on like a minute basis. It's like I was gonna tell you to clear the console and then try to shoot the gun without going to another room, but you just like you were like, all right, let's run into a regular room and just do shit. Callie, please go elsewhere. Dude, cats are annoying sometimes. Because, like, if they don't want to be pet, they'll make it known. But if you don't want them to be near you, or, like, on your lap or whatever, they, like, don't take that as an answer. Alright. So, is it still broken? Or is it better now?
But, I think it's better now.
Okay. Why is this not
Yeah, because it's just the lightning one. So it might have been something with the time scale messed it up. I don't know. Also, the new menu's nice. I was gonna say something. Oh yeah, I want to show you. Check this out. I was messing with some ideas for this stream. I made a little TV for you to put you on.
Whoa. Little TV.
So you would like go down here, and then like when I push a button, it would like do a little animation, and like I would show up down there, and then you would be up here.
Yeah.
On the big screen. Wouldn't that be kind of sick? Yeah.
See.
And then I need to figure out how I want the chat. And then I don't know if I want. Do I want the stream avatar still? Maybe I'll kill them.
Maybe.
Or maybe I'll do my own custom thing.
Nah, I'm gonna do my own thing. Or whatever.
Yeah. I should put little cat ears on the TV.
Huh. Is this...
I also discovered that drawing in 3D is really annoying. Especially at a weird angle like this.
Drawing in 3D is annoying. You mean you were drawing in 3D?
Because like all
you
these
mean with
lines have to be
perspective?
yeah, and
Okay.
like at a diagonal in pixel art. Because it's like all the lines have to be parallel, so they have to be like the same ratio of pixels. like up and down, and then because like if one thing is slightly off, you'll just instantly see it and it'll look terrible.
Yeah.
But I think it looks pretty good. It needs some detailing, but that's what I was doing today.
That doesn't work on X11. It looks like, or on
Aside from making coffee.
Oh yeah,
my
on
job.
X11 actually, which I'm on the Wayland. I'm on Wayland. Fuck, that sucks.
What is Bros yapping about?
I'm trying to do something, which doesn't work here. On my current OS.
I see. What do I want to do today? Maybe I'll just put video on screen and scroll TikTok.
You probably shouldn't do that. I'm not.
Yeah,
doing
I shouldn't. You're right.
A whole lot. I'm kind of just reading through docs right now and trying to see if I can do.
Did you figure out why Goblin Army was like cooked?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want me to tell you the answer? Because I can tell you the answer because it's very fun.
Yeah, tell me the answer.
So you were doing something wrong.
What?
Yep.
No, that doesn't
I know.
happen.
I know. It sounds impossible, really. I know that.
Yeah.
That's never happened
is.
before. Let me clear this and then I'll show you in a second. Sorry, I'm still a little bit cooked. My caffeine hasn't kicked in very much. I did get a monster today because like my ass is gonna be tired.
I ate a monster.
You talking about the drink? Or...
Yeah.
Fair enough. So if I go to Goblin, is it Goblin Follow? Yeah, so there's this really cool thing. Callie, please. No. Like, what? So if I click on this, you were doing this with the built-in physics process function.
Oh.
So this was running every frame regardless of whether or not the follow state was active for the goblin. And then I also just, there was a couple of things that I did actually have to change around, or like one thing I had to change around, but that was an issue.
Some work, but if they work, they work.
What'd you say?
I said, I don't remember what I said.
No, that's okay. It's fine. I didn't hear what you said, so I guess we'll never know. Let me load into a level and I'll make sure that these work the way that you expect them to, because like they should,
Okay.
but who knows?
Do they work against the dummies?
I would imagine so. Looks like yes.
So crazy.
Ooh, they give me the
They schmovin'. Oh, that's really funny that they do that.
little bit. The effect
think
also
the,
ends like instantly. It's weird.
It shouldn't. I added a little animation, so I don't know why it does end instantly. Let me
There's like
test
a
that.
weird like clipping thing.
It
like-
should like fade out.
There's also no number showing up on this. That's cool.
It does fade out. It's just very quick. If you look closely, it should. There's no number.
Oh no, there
showing
is a
up.
number. It was, I think they were just refreshing it the second that it disappeared. So it just looked like the number wasn't there, and it looked like I was getting stacks, but I wasn't.
So are you not seeing the fade out?
Let me look at yours. No, so I am seeing the fade out. The thing that you've got there. So if you look at the crystal, whenever you lose the effect, it like very, very quickly, like the second the effect goes away, it like snaps. Like the
yeah,
chromatic
I might have just
aberration.
animated something badly.
Yeah, I think that's the thing.
Yeah, I'll check the animation.
It's definitely, it looks like an animation blending thing, yeah.
Yeah.
But the 4 issues that you sent me, I took care of.
Okay.
The 4 or 5 issues, whatever the fuck they were. I did want to. Ooh, what? What is this?
It should be, why is it?
What the fuck is this? What the fuck
Should
is
be
this?
animating it, like, over a second. Oh, let me check,
Wait, does this...
what is in here? 5 and -5. It
Is
should.
this... Hold on. Hold on, I'm like losing my mind over this.
5, -5.
How does this evaluate? What?
Yeah, I don't know why it's weird like that, because it's just animating from 5 to 0 over 1 second. It should be nice and smooth.
I'm gonna like lose my mind over this. Does this work the way that you wrote it? Because this doesn't feel like this would... Really? Why does that work that way? That's so weird. You wrote a piece of code that actually is perplexing me.
What?
I mean, do you really have to ask that question? I feel like that's not...
Yeah.
Hold on. True, false, true. Do these always equal the same? It looks like they do. Weird. So you wrote this code right here. If you look at this, this is for the lightning affinity handler.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what you're doing here? Like why this is written this way? So I can take a guess, but I don't know what your intention was behind it.
I have no clue. I'm pretty sure I just copy pasted that from somewhere else in the code.
So, from what I'm seeing here, so this is the get targets. So you're getting the space state, transform, whatever. You're getting the results of all the
I
area.
just copied this from the other place that we're doing this somewhere.
Yeah, so it looks like we're doing an intersection thing. This is fine. This part is fine because this is just like the query part, but this loop is like the thing that I'm like curious about. So for all the results in the intersected areas or whatever, you're getting the collider. What does this check do? Like, can you say it to me?
I think it's checking to make sure that the hitbox isn't the hitbox of the thing that's getting hit, because you don't want it to zap itself.
Welcome back, Fireblast.
That's what I did.
Yes, I'm confused because this apparently seems to probably be working, but it feels like it shouldn't be.
Yeah, you're just checking to make sure that the hitbox is the...
Yeah, but what you're saying is if
the hitbox,
not
even the
hitbox.owner is equal to target.
Yeah.
So
target is the thing that you're hitting, so you're checking to make sure that the owner of the hitbox that you're hitting is not the target that you hit.
Yeah, so I think what you're trying to say is that it looks like this in your mind, where you're checking if hitbox.owner equals target, and if it is, you negate it. Whereas in my mind, the way that I'm reading it is it reads like this, where you're taking the negation of hitbox.owner and checking to see if that equals target. Typically, something would be written like this, where you're saying if hitbox.owner doesn't equal target.
Yeah,
because I don't know why Godot is processing it this way, because I feel like this would evaluate this as one block first, which would evaluate to probably false, because owner exists. But I guess maybe it like knows to convert it, but I don't like it. It should definitely be that there.
Hey, it works, so.
Yeah, it does. It feels really weird. What's written is right. What's written feels very wrong, because in Godot you can do like !hitbox.owner, and what this would do is if this is null, it will evaluate to true because it checks kind of like whether or not it's valid. And if isn't there, or if it is there, it'll evaluate to false because you can use like values as like truthy or falsy inherently. So I definitely think you were, in your mind, it was definitely written like this, which is totally fine. I just think that like it should be a little clearer by doing like a if this doesn't equal that. I'm just a little surprised that Godot was able to handle that.
Yeah.
But I do need to find out why the fuck this is breaking, because apparently it is.
Oh yeah, guys, in case you didn't know, the seed for the tutorial and the hub area is 6-7.
Uh-oh. What?
Just a fun fact.
Oh, I see. There's so I'm getting an error about the lightning affinity handler, and I think you are too. And the reason for that is because it's trying to push this back into the typed array, but you're not checking to make sure that hitbox is a hitbox. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So something like this, I think, would be fine. Cool. Okay, that works. Okay, where else are you doing this now? I'm curious. I need to go look at your other loops, if you're doing any other loops. Okay, this one's fine.
Still doing that weird
is fine.
snapping thing. What is it doing that?
Are you moving like in the script editor like that with the keyboard? Can you refine your question? Because there are so many answers that I could give. I actually don't know what specific part you were talking about. There's a couple of things that I'm doing in the script editor. I'm hitting, if you're talking about this thing where I'm like snapping around the lines, I'm doing home to go to the front of the line and end to go to the end of the line. I'm doing page up and page down to go up and down like large blocks. Control home and control end go to the start and end of the file. I'm doing control P to open up specific scripts. I hope that I hit your question in there somewhere. You're lagging. Uh-oh. It's over. Cooked. That was it? Okay, sick. Nice, nice, nice. I was just like, I do a lot of weird shit in the editor. I actually get comments on that sometimes at work, where they're like, what the fuck are you doing? But, yeah. So what's causing the weird snapping? You haven't figured that out yet?
I haven't.
Tragic. Is it 'cause something's getting freed immediately?
Oh wait, I think I know what it is. Hold up, let me look closely. I figured it out.
Is something getting
It's
freed
the
immediately?
the numbers are backwards. This one should be 5, and the other one should be -5. So it's
Ah,
swapping because each one of these controls the different channels. So
Mhm.
what's happening is it's not like moving suddenly. The channels are swapping.
yeah,
So
makes
the
sense.
red and the green get swapped. It's very funny.
Yeah, that
So
checks
now
out.
theoretically, this should look more. There we go. It's a lot smoother. Yeah.
Yeah. Also, if you hit I, you should be able to open up the book.
Yeah.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure you knew about that. All right, I'm gonna do something cool today. And by cool, I mean not cool in the slightest. I want to move...
You're gonna add content, right?
No, I'm gonna clean up the build for the Steam build because we were supposed to build the
yeah,
Steam
right.
build, but you ran into bugs. So, that's okay. So question for you, Mr. JW.
Yeah.
So here's all of the gameplay options currently.
Oh, sorry. Let me look.
So obviously I'm gonna get rid of these because these don't need to be here.
Yeah.
Of these options, are there any that you feel like should be added or removed, or anything that you
Nah, I think they're fine.
Okay, well, I'm gonna add one for sure, which
Uh-huh.
is the numbers above the cards.
Ah, yeah.
So if there's anything that you want added, now would be the time to bring that up, because I'm going to be adding gameplay options, which means I'm going to be moving all of the gameplay options into a gameplay settings thing. So speak now or forever hold your pee. Sorry.
Okay. I will.
I can also
hold my pee.
change screen shakes either on or off right now. I'm totally not against making it also having a slider so we can have screen shakes like strength.
Maybe. I don't know.
Maybe. Oh, I didn't show you this last night, did I? Maybe I did. He's not even looking.
Maybe you did. Maybe you did.
You see my screen?
Wait, your screen. Hold up. What am I looking at? What is this?
What is this? I added a debug bind for timescale, or a debug command
you're
for
weird.
timescale, so that I can bind it to a button.
You're so weird.
No, I'm so weird, dude, because I wanted to test this to make sure that this was firing correctly, so I could slow this down. And I
And
could,
now you
like,
can make super cool slow-mo clips.
and so now it,
Dante
you know,
9.
making sure that this works.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, one thing that I did, by the way. So you did this thing. So in the... Oh my god, where the hell is it? Flying beam enemy. So you had the weapon right here underneath the visuals, right?
Yeah.
So that whenever it moves and rotates and things, try to not do that if you don't mind.
How else do I make it
Remote
do that
transform 2D.
then? Okay.
That way, because rotation is annoying to have for
Uh.
things like this. So you can just say update the position and scale, but don't update the rotation, and it just does it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've never used that node, so that's good to
It's
know.
very nice. It's a very, very nice node that I know exists, and I've known exists for a very long time, and I haven't found a whole lot of uses for it, but whenever I do find a use for it, I'm like, holy shit, dude, this takes care of so many things.
Yeah.
So yeah. Anyways, so I will be moving gameplay settings out of this settings menu and into an actual gameplay settings thing, because I don't want this menu to be like the be all end all for
Yeah.
gameplay settings, because currently that's where we load and store gameplay settings, and I think being able to read those at runtime would be very, very nice. So
Yeah.
we're doing this with video settings.
Why is it still so like snappy? I feel like.
It's like the thing instantly disappears, like the
Yeah.
big thing.
I'm working on it.
He's working on it. So video settings not updated. So this is where the new stuff is. Video settings. It's doing all of this shit. So I kind of want to... I guess, why isn't this a save file, I wonder? Let me think. Should this be a save file? Probably not. I've also noticed this. Oh, this should be set to process mode. Is process mode always? The fact that it's not is very weird. Yeah, because I can't do that while the game is paused. Very bizarre.
Something's like snapping weirdly. Hold up. Maybe one of these numbers is wrong. Nope.
Okay, cool. That works. Fixed it. Okay, so I really don't want to make this an auto load, but I feel like I should because I don't What would be the alternative? How else would I do that?
Oh yeah, there we go. It was the same problem. I had the values swapped on them. Look how smooth
Whoa.
it is now. I'm on Biddy Vision.
Oh, you were just on Biddy Vision the entire time. Fire.
Nah, it's fine. It's fine. Don't worry about it.
Alright, I'm looking. Oh yeah, no, that's much better. Maybe I would maybe make the fade like an ease out or something, so it like quickly fades. That way you don't feel like you have intangibility for longer than you do.
Yeah, maybe. It does do a little animation when you get hit. Let me make sure that that one's fine too. These guys can shoot now, right? I actually have to have phase for it to work. Hold up. Give me that.
Today,
why is it so
today's the 2nd. Damn.
I should probably make that animation a little better too. It might have the wrong values too. Now that I think about it.
So for
I don't think
gameplay
it does.
settings, here's what I want for gameplay settings. Let me look at our current list of gameplay things, and then we'll go from there, probably.
Oh, this also needs a cue free. Hold up.
So oh my god, whoa, that was I feel like I just had a mini stroke with the way that I just spelled screen shake wrong like 3 times. Okay.
Fire.
Toggle and then strength slider perhaps. Speedrun timer, accessible font. We'll have to look at that because it makes everything large. Which might be fine, but probably not. Enemy outline.
That's fine.
Do we want to remove the cat skin option from the menu?
No, that's fine.
Okay. Okay, hold up. There was something else that I just thought of that I wanted to add. Numbers above cards. There was a gameplay option. I think. What was it? Oh my god. It was something related to something you were doing, I think. Oh my god, what was it? Hold on, I'm gonna do a quick run through of the game in my head. What the fuck was the thing?
You could like play the game.
Nah, that doesn't make much sense. You're so tired. Dude, me too. My eyes are like so glossed over right now. I feel like I am so unbelievably
play Rivals?
tired. No. I mean, yes, but not with you because you're gonna make it weird.
No, I'll just play Crag.
Yeah, okay, buddy. Oh my god, there was like a... Was it an accessibility option? I don't think so. Oh my god. I feel like my brain is going like stupid mode right now. Was it a controlling option? I don't think so. Okay, how about this? I'll just start coding it. I'm sure that it will come back to me at some point. I just don't know what the hell it was that I was like, oh yeah, I want this in the list of gameplay settings. So we'll just start with this. So let's start by deciding whether or not I want this to be an auto load. I don't really want it to be an auto load, but I will make it an auto load because I can be asked to fix it right now. So gameplay settings.gd. I don't know what the hell this is. That's fun. So... Oh, wait, hold on. Hold on, I might be... Let me do a little thinking real quick. Nah, okay, never mind. Fuck that. I was gonna say, I think that this could be... This could use the save system thing that I made before, but settings use any file, or like the config file thing, so I think this is fine to use there. So let's do bar, aim, follow, left joystick, pulse, screen shake, enabled. This will be true by default. Shade strength. Accessible font. Enabled. Pulse. Speed. Run timer. Pulse. Outline. Pulse. Do the current settings for the skin. How is this stored? Global stats player skin is probably the texture. It sure fucking is. How do I want to store this? It probably wouldn't be a string name. It probably wouldn't be an... I don't want it to be an index, I don't think. Maybe I do?
Maybe you do.
I'll just make it an index for now. You want to buy Biddy? We can call him Bitey. What is wrong with you?
That's crazy.
Can we put this one down?
That might be like against Twitch TOS.
That isn't, unfortunately. But we should get rid of him anyways, I think. That might be the play. Cliff or control.
What if we hopped on Risk of Rain 2 multiplayer?
That'd be crazy, man.
What if we like did do something fun on stream after we get work done? Because we love streaming.
That's true.
So we're like streamers. Oh yeah.
Why did you drop the fucking... Bro hit the vector. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Rich kid noodle. Yeah, pretty much.
Oh yeah, check this out.
There's soul behind those eyes, that's true. What am I checking out?
In the school.
Whoa, dude. Yeah, that's sick.
It is pretty cool, actually.
Alright, gameplay settings. Oh my god, I'm so fucking tired. Does Monster have caffeine in it?
No, it doesn't.
There's like a chance that that's true. Because like it could use something other than caffeine, right?
We should play a game of Rivals as a break, you know?
I'm gonna
Need a little
look really
treat.
quick and see.
You've been streaming for a long time.
Shut up, dude. This guy's patronizing me.
See, it's a win-win because either you get motivated to work more because like you hate me, or you play Rivals, and then I get to play Rivals.
Why do you want to play Rivals?
Rivals is fun.
That's not true.
Rivals.
You don't believe that.
I literally have like 500 hours in Rivals. It's
When's the last time
literally
you
like
played
my
Rivals?
third most played game. Like last night.
Really? Why the fuck did you open it yesterday? What the hell? Oops.
Is it actually my? Let me see. Was I right? It's my third most played game too. I was right.
That's crazy. Oh wait, no. Can you go back?
I told
Did that not say
you. I
most
love
recent?
Rivals.
Oh no, hours
played.
Wow.
Look at that. That's almost as much
crazy.
as Counter-Strike.
I wonder if Rivals is my most played game on
And one of
Steam.
these isn't even a game.
Let me
It's crazy how I just like don't play a single game a lot. I just like I play everything. I'm
Yeah,
a big fan.
me too.
In
That's
general.
You're actually about to fall asleep. It's only 8:30. It's so interesting how other, like, countries, I guess, might be the right word. I'm not sure, though.
Regions.
Regions, yeah. Regions, like dialects and ways of speaking. Like, the way that people refer to time changes. Like, even something as simple as that is, like, insane. Holy shit. How many hours do you think I have in Rivals?
670.
Nope. I hate you.
Okay.
How did you get to the... Oh, I see.
If you just go to the library like homepage.
Yeah, I don't usually click that
You know,
button.
while we're here, we might as well go and open Rivals.
So I have 900.8 hours in Rivals.
Holy, you are a chud, and you're still bad.
I hate you. Oh my god, I almost just typed in snipping tool as if that's a fucking thing. On Linux.
It is, right?
I'm cooked. Alright, what do you
No,
think my
okay.
top 5 games are on Steam by playtime?
Ooh.
I will go ahead and tell you
Rivals?
Counter-Strike is not
Or-
one
well,
of them. Not on this
Yeah.
account.
Dwarf Fortress. Rivals. Let me think what else. What do you play a lot of?
What way would you say that? Well, I don't even know what half 8 means. I'll be real with you. JW, what is... so Fireblast in my chat said, I'm actually about to fall asleep,
Yeah,
and
I
it's
can
only
see
half
your
8. What does
chat.
that mean to you?
I don't know.
Because my guess would be like half past 8, so like 8:30. But I could also see
Yeah,
as
probably.
it's like halfway to 8, so it's 7:30. But like, I don't know. Like, I would say fucking half past or 7:30 or 8:30 or... I would say the numbers and the time. It's also very interesting that you use half 8 and not... I have no idea where you're from because I didn't... Doesn't most of Europe use 24-hour?
I don't know.
Half past? Yeah. Fair enough. Okay.
I'm trying to think what
So
other
what were your
games do
answers
you
so
even
far?
play?
You said...
Dwarf Fortress and Rivals are definitely up there.
Okay.
Caves of Cud maybe. But it's all like recent stuff, and your Steam account's like old. Dota 2? I'm just listing stuff that I know you've played at this point. I don't know. What's one more? I know you played Cogmind a lot, but I don't think that would be in your top 5.
I will say... You are right.
I don't know.
Two
That's
of
all I have.
them.
Okay, it's Rivals and Dwarf Fortress are the 2 I got right.
So I actually, I'm going to show you the one that was wrong first because I thought that I didn't realize that it was only showing games that I had installed at first. So here's my top
Yeah, you definitely have
6.
some.
Ignore that the DF Hack and Dwarf Fortress are the same. So like, it's just Dwarf Fortress.
That's crazy.
They don't add together. It's 264 hours, and 230 of those were with DF Hack open. But it's
Crazy.
Rivals, Dota, Dwarf Fortress, Slay the Spire 2, and Deadlock. These are only
Slay the
installed
Spire
games.
2 is
though.
crazy. Oh, okay.
So that's
I'm
wrong.
scared.
Um,
I'm scared.
there is also another slight addendum that needs to be made here. So the first game is Team Fortress 2 with 904 hours. Second game is Rivals, right behind it.
Uh-huh.
Rivals is about to be my most played game on Steam. Next
Evil.
is Gary's Mod.
Gary's Mod.
And then
Who's
Dota 2.
Gary?
3 of my top 4 games are from fucking Valve. Well, not Valve, but like source
Crazy.
games. And then, so here's the addendum that needs to be made. Number 5 is actually The Elder Scrolls V Skyrim. However, that is
Okay.
because whenever we had only a family PC, it was my Steam account that had Skyrim, and my brother played the fuck out of that game. I
I
maybe
see.
put 60 hours into the game. Everything else was him. So
Crazy.
it's definitely not number 5 for me. And then after that is Dwarf Fortress. So Dwarf Fortress is in my
Wow.
top 5 now. Let's go.
That's not top 5. That's top 6.
Top 5. Well, Skyrim is not mine. So like I did.
Yeah, but it's technically there, so it's not in your top 5.
I might actually be able to. Let me go check my other account, my CS account, because I might have more hours in CS than some of these games. I do. CS is actually my number 3.
That's crazy.
Oh my god, Dwarf Fortress is
and
holy
you
shit!
refuse to play
Oh my
Counter-Strike
god.
with your friends now.
Okay, so this account, so my main account is the one that I actually feel like reflects me as a person way more. Because I'm looking at my top 5 on my other account. It's Counter-Strike with 650 hours.
What a chud.
And then number 2 is Trove with 370.
Not Trove. That's crazy. Bro
And
has
the next one
bro
is
has as many
Smite.
hours in Trove as I have in Counter-Strike.
Next is Smite 1
Ew.
with 356
evil.
hours. So if we're placing this with my other account, Trove has more hours than Gary's mod, and Smite has more hours than Dota, which is crazy. Yeah, evil shit. Your phone says 2035. You just said half 8. Fair enough. Yeah, you use 24 hours when talking to another person, and minus 12. Yeah. Trove was peak back then. It actually genuinely was. It was so fun. I don't remember at what point I stopped playing it. There was something that they did that I don't exactly remember why. I was just like, okay, I don't care about the game anymore. It might have
Have
been
you
like,
looked at any of
major
the
class
Hytale
gems.
updates? Or
I've
are you
not.
just avoiding it? Okay, I haven't either.
yeah, I'm not like purposely avoiding it, but I'm just like I'm not really engaging with it right now because I'm like I'll play it eventually and I'll get to experience all of it.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. But it from the very, very small bits that I've seen, it looks very sick so far.
Hold on, I think your chat
seen, like, a
messages
couple
might
of
not be
clips here and
showing up
there.
my stream. Fire Blast. Sorry, Oh no, it says this is already added. Oh, because it's not activated. Okay, sorry. Social Stream, the program I use for chat messages, is fucking terrible. All right, that's added now. All right, back to programming.
Oh, I thought we were gonna play Rivals.
No.
Okay, that means I need to figure out what I'm doing.
Content or something.
No, that's your job.
What?
It's your job.
Why?
You're the content guy. Because you
That's
said you're gonna
not
make
true.
content last week and you lied and you didn't.
I made a menu.
Now you have to make up for it.
How's menu not content?
That's menu is not content.
How's menu not content?
Menu is not content.
How? Make it make sense.
If menu is content, then literally everything you've made in the entire game is content.
Well, there, you heard it here first, folks. Everything I've made in the entire game is content.
That's not how that works.
Why not? I don't understand. How does that not... What?
Menu is like a system. It's not content. It's
Menu is a systems? No, the system behind menu is a system. But I made a menu, which is
I hate
in-
this
it's
guy.
the
I
content
hate this
of the
guy.
system.
I'm blowing you up with my mind.
Oh shit, dude, he's got me fucking... He's got me in hell, burning right now. Oh, I'm burning in his mind.
You are rotating very quickly.
Like horizontally or vertically? Like on the y-axis
Vertically.
or on the x-axis?
The y-axis. The
Okay.
y-axis. But like really fast.
I see. Technically, it is.
Like the
Yeah,
little
no,
cat
I know
on
what
my
he
screen,
means,
but,
but
like,
I'm being
really
a dickhead
fast.
because I love being a dickhead.
Yeah, you're evil. You're an evil little chud. Grr.
And then numbers above cards. Card selection. Numbers. Alt. Controller glyph mode is control glyph mode dot to default. And then if I run the game, does this crash? It might. It doesn't. Let's go. Sorry, my leg itches. I got a bug bite and it's pissing me off.
I hate getting bug bites. Like I don't go outside. Why do I have bug bites?
I have bug bites. This bug bite's been pissing me off for like, I don't know, like a week or a week and a half. because I took Callie outside, and I was sitting down on like the brick wall outside my apartment, and I guess like a fucking ant or a couple of ants decided that they were gonna beat the fuck out of my legs, and that shit is just so bad. It's actually insane. And I have this really cool trick where whenever I want to scratch a bug bite, you can actually like scratch the area around it, and it like gives you some relief from the itching without like scratching the bite itself, and that's kind of sick. It's like a cool tech.
Yeah. I'm doing the Slay the Spire daily.
Are you?
Yep. I'm opening Slay
actually?
the Spire right now.
Oh, dude, that's Slay the Spire.
Yeah, this is Slay the Spire.
Okay. Sorry, my brain is like really not working that well right now.
That's okay. We don't have to stream for that long if you aren't feeling
What's up, cats?
up
What's
for
up?
it.
What's up, Lee has Slay the cat.
We could play the Slay the Spire daily. That's
Slay
also
the
an option.
cat. Slay. I don't think you want to play the. You got something called Hell's Itch. Like,
Or we
2
could
weeks
play
ago.
Rivals.
Hell's Itch? What the fuck is Hell's Itch? What is that? Oh, it's a sunburn? Oh.
Okay, I at least changed it so it only triggers on physical damage now.
Oh, this shit. Oh, yeah, I've gotten this one time, I think. I spent way too long out in the sun without sunscreen while I was, like, swimming one time. Blech.
That's crazy.
Yeah. What'd you say, though, JW?
I said I made it the physical thing only triggers the physical damage.
Nice.
Which I think I'll probably want to do for a lot of items
Yeah.
and things.
How did you
Because
do
at
it?
first it was like kind of fun. Like 2 lines of code.
Okay, thank you. Actually, can you just do, like, attack dot and then look at the functions? Because I think there's a function inside of attacks that sees if it has an attack type. Like, is there a dot has?
Like, oh, has
Yeah.
type, yeah.
Yeah. Because I don't remember if that.
'Cause, yeah, like
I prefer doing things
Yeah.
like that because if we ever want to see like if there's anything else that could ever influence the attack type, I would like to be able to have one place that everything's being funneled through.
yeah. Because yeah, like I like the items like interacting with each other and stuff, but as it is right now,
They're a little crazy.
with just a couple items, yeah, there's just
Oh,
everything
sorry.
instantly blows up and dies. Which like
Spicy
we could just
noodle and
increase the
sword.
health of things. Yeah. A little bit. I mean, that's just if you get 10 of these, it gives you a 100% crit chance. Then you get a sword,
Yeah.
and then you
I could probably make these.
then it dies.
Okay. Let me actually like write code now. Surely. Just like does Linux have a timer
Wait,
thing?
there's one another.
Like a stopwatch? No. Okay.
Why is it not zapping this one? Oh, there it goes.
I don't know. I'm gonna let me find a song. I'm gonna turn up the music on my side. Hopefully it doesn't turn it up for everyone else.
Oopsies. I'm lagging the game.
What song do I want to listen to? I need to log in for just like a couple of minutes.
Okay.
I'm gonna put on Rainbow Road from fucking Mario Kart 64.
Rainbow Road. Oh yeah, by the way, where do you get like your music from? Because I
Cage
need
Insider.
music. Okay.
I'll send you a link. And then I'm gonna lock the fucking light mode jump scare, by the way. I would recommend
'Cause,
if you're able to buy the OST for things.
yeah,
do
that's
that
what I was
instead.
planning to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But some
That's what we're
old games don't have their OST available, so I go through Cage Insider if I can.
Yeah.
But like
Okay.
a lot of the OSTs I've bought on like Bandcamp and like wherever
Yeah.
else that I can.
There's a few that I've added to my playlist that I actually really like for games that I haven't even played yet that I want to play.
All right, I'm gonna hide your screen share because I'm gonna do the.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Uh,
code this.
Yeah, I'm gonna put you on screen for just a second. I need to run to the bathroom. I'll be
Okay.
right back.
So what I'm doing here is we're doing config file handler, and I'm passing these into each of the functions. These are the default values, I'm assuming. Yeah. So what I want to do is inside of gameplay settings, basically do the same thing. So I will gameplay settings. I can probably just copy all of these. And do a function called load, gameplay settings, void. Paste these bitches in, tab them over. Multi-select this bitch. Set underscore. Oops. Copy this. Config file handler dot get gameplay setting. And then I'll go through and I'll manually... Oh, wait, no, I don't need to do that. I have the ability to do this? No. This works for most things. This doesn't work for everything, though. Unless I can, like... From here... Control right? Nah, that puts me in a bad spot. Whatever. Okay, I'll just do this for the ones that can do it. And then I'll go through and I'll manually edit the ones that are fucked up. So screen shake is 1 by default. Enabled is true. We do want to follow this by default because I think most players like that. Accessible font is going to be disabled by false. Speedrun timer is off by false. Enemy outlines off. Player skin is 0. That's probably fine. Glyph override is set to... I think 0 as control glyph mode. Card selection numbers is off by default. Okay, cool. And then here... I need a function called get gameplay setting instead of config handler. Get gameplay, or sorry, get video setting. Sorry, let me read. You're gonna buy a digital piano because it was on sale for 500. You went on holidays, so you're gonna buy it on holidays. When it arrives, when you get back, your phone broke 5 days before you returned. You transferred your SIM. Aw, that's so fucking tragic. Good luck, good luck.
I'm back.
Welcome back. Can I make a tutorial on Godot export and Godot encryption? I could. I probably won't, because I think the docs probably tell you them, like, enough to... Let me take a look at the docs real quick. Do we have an encryption tutorial, perhaps? If you are talking about wanting to do, like more encryption for your, like, actual export projects, people can't, like, take it apart with as easy of a thing. You can... use this. There's an article on the Godot docs about setting up your build with encryption. So you can do a custom encryption key if you want. It will make it a little bit harder to get into your project, but it's definitely still, like, doable for anyone who really, really wants to get in. And as for export, like, I think the docs are, like, simple enough. They're pretty straightforward. Also, a lot of the options in here usually tell you what they do. If you go to, like, export, you can usually hover over something and it'll tell you what you're looking at. And you can open the docs there if you want. And it usually has a bunch of things. So all of that to say, like, yes, I could, but I don't think that there's anything inherently that I would be able to add to it that I think the docs themselves don't have. Yeah, for sure.
What do we want? The we still I still need to do poison and fire, right? Where are these?
You do poison and fire for what?
Oh, they're right here. Physical or elemental stuff. No.
Actually, do these matter enough? Hold on. Do these need setter functions? I don't think they inherently do. Although I guess if I need a setter function, I guess I could just like specify yo dog use the setter function, right? Like I could just say, yeah, fuck it, I don't need this. I don't need any of this shit. I can just say pop is equal to, and then anything that needs a setter function, I can just like tell it to use. Like for example, the enemy outline, I definitely want a setter function. The player skin, I do. Glyph override, I don't know actually. I'll take a look at this. So what are we doing in the settings menu? Time to look at the code. Settings.gd. Input type. So what this is doing is I see. So this is setting the input type thing. So you will want a setter function. So let's go here and go pop. Or actually, what's the fucking JW? You know off the top of your head for setter functions, what the syntax is?
Oh, I have no clue.
Okay, that's okay. I figured not.
I always
Might as
forget.
well ask.
Yeah.
I know the setter function thing for like writing it out, but I wanted to say like use a setter
Yeah.
of like set if
Are you locked in right now?
a little bit, yeah.
Okay. I'll wait. Fine.
Oh shit. Okay, never mind. I guessed it correctly. I opened up a private tab to go search, and I just accidentally got it correct. So hello, PC guy, and welcome back, Fireblast. I don't remember if I said that or not. Did you have a question for something though?
No, it's just the fire affinity. I don't know exactly what we want for that because I see like 3 different options here.
Let me take a
We'll
look.
figure that out. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. You're locked in.
Okay.
Do your thing.
Okay.
I'll do something else.
I just didn't know if you were talking about code stuff, but I see you have like a list of Obsidian things open.
Yeah, no, not code stuff. Don't worry.
So for the glyph override, what I want to do is I want to say if glyph mode equals glyph mode dot auto controls dot clear override input type. Also, let me know if the music is loud for you guys. I think I have it set up so I can turn it up on my end without like blasting out everyone's ears, but it is quite loud on my end right now, intentionally. Actually, I can just check. I can just like mute it on my mixer. Yeah, okay. It sounds like it's only to my ears. And then what am I doing here? Index -1 as controls.input type. So what I want to do is I probably want to convert this to a number first. So index is if mode as int. Yeah, if mode is int, and then index -1 as controls.input type. Okay, yep. Controls.set override. Basically, it's the exact same thing. Okay. So that needs a setter. The enemy outline should also use a setter, I think. Yeah, should. That's rendering server, right? Okay, that's easy enough. Set speedrun timer. Probably needs one. Screen shake enabled won't. So I can actually kill that because I know you don't. Screen shake strength won't either. What are we doing for the follow setting? This does need one. That sucks, but whatever. Well, no, it doesn't.
I'm thinking.
Oh, I should turn on my locked in thing. Yeah.
Your locked in thing.
Yeah. Oh, I could put it above my. Oops. I can put it above my head. So it says Biddy is currently locked in, may not respond to chats immediately. That works. So same follow left joystick. I can do UI manager dot set speedrun B. Cool, that's fine. Accessible font enabled. Oh, that's so annoying. Probably end up doing the same thing here. Oh, actually, I might actually remove accessible font for this update. Because it needs a lot of work actually. Because I don't think accessible font works currently.
Yeah, we've been over this.
Like it just doesn't work in a lot of places. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, then yeah, I will revisit that at a later date. Because I think something like that deserves a little bit more care into it. Oh my god, there's so many Rivals of Aether songs in this fucking playlist. What the hell? Handcard.gd. Card or index label. So this is set.
Oh, I didn't know you could do this.
What's up?
You can like move or duplicate multiple items, like a little UI.
Sorry, what do you mean? Is this an Obsidian thing or a Godot thing or
File system in Godot. Yeah, pretty cool.
And then I'll also do updated probably. Oh, that's so annoying actually, I think. Let me think about this. I'll just make a signal up here then, and I'll call this signal. I'll just do updated for now, and I'll only update it whenever it needs to happen. Ah, shit. Let me look at the setter documentation for Godot really quickly. Because I think I can specify a function, however, I'm fairly certain that it doesn't automatically set it, right? Okay, let me make sure that this works the way that I want it to first before I do some other shit. Console.print control. No?
Thought this was Yell Dead Cell for a second there. What? I don't know what you're talking about, but okay. 6-7. Sorry. My bad. The song. Oh, okay. I see. That makes more sense. I was thinking like Dead Cells, like the game. That makes more sense. '89. Oh, cause like 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, I get it. I get it.
I hate you. Like a lot, actually.
Yeah, fair enough, I guess.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, this is crashing.
Are you still locked in, or can I ask questions?
Depends on how much question is question. What's up?
I want to make the poison thing, for the poison clouds.
Mm-hmm.
But I want to put them on a canvas group, so that way they like can be like cloud and transparent, or like translucent.
What?
You know what I'm saying?
No. What?
Okay.
You wanna make them-
Like forest burn smoke.
Oh, you want to have them like merge together?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm trying to figure out where I should put the canvas group. I guess I could make it like a component of the level.
Don't make it a
And, like,
component of the level. Because we don't want that to just always be a thing. I would say.
Well, I mean, they get to add it on. Like,
You mean like a dynamic
when you try
one?
to, yeah, when you try to add poison, if there's no like poison layer, it adds one automatically, and then adds it to the poison.
Yeah, and then if
layer
once all the
if there is
poison
one.
runs out, we could probably even kill it if we wanted, so it doesn't stay in the level the entire time. But it's
Yeah, we could probably do that.
Either
Because
way,
yeah,
yeah.
if we're just like adding them as children to the poison thing, then we could just have the poison thing check if it has children. If it doesn't, it kills itself.
yeah, that's what we do for enemy indicators. Actually, is it adds a top level enemy indicator to the level if there isn't one that already exists, and then all other indicators go to that.
Okay, that makes sense.
And then once they're all gone, it also clears itself, so it doesn't
Yeah,
stay.
I'm thinking.
Let's go. Massive news.
And then I just need to figure out how to make how I want the poison clouds to actually work. Like, would they just be like, would each one have its own little hitbox, or?
Sorry,
It probably wouldn't be that. So the poison clouds, like, how would those work functionally? Like, obviously, if enemies are inside of them, they should gain poison.
Yeah, so whenever you say functionally, what do you mean? Like, what part are you...
Like hitbox, like how it handles the hitboxes.
Mhm.
Since it can be a weird shape. So I'm thinking like each section would be like a little cloud that has like a circular hitbox on it.
Yeah.
And then all those like check for enemies or targets, and then we'll apply poison to them.
Yeah. And the way that poison, or the way that effects are written is you can add something as a constant source, so that it's, if you have multiple things overlapping, it doesn't like double the amount. So like if an enemy's moving between the poison clouds and stops in the center, it doesn't get like the 2 poison clouds like doubling the effect. It's like you are in poison, you are getting poison, or you are not in poison, you are not getting poison.
Yeah. I'll have to think about it.
Yeah. That's how Force Burn Clouds works, by the way, is they all have like their own like circular hitbox. And whenever you like
that makes sense.
swing into them, if it hits a hitbox, it disappears.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But Force Burn Smoke's like on a grid though, right?
A rough grid, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It doesn't matter if they overlap. You can do that. It's fine.
Yeah. I didn't say that was a problem. I was just saying that like it's different.
Yeah. This is in gameplay settings. Okay. I don't know why I keep like writing code and then closing and then erasing the code. This is not this is not correct. Roll.
Now I'm thinking like I'm just thinking out loud. If you like kill an enemy, would it just pop out like 1 cloud? Or would it like pop out like 3 and then they like spread out?
Either of them, honestly. I think the multiple clouds spreading out can be pretty fun, to be honest.
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out mechanically how to do that. I'm not sure. I'm thinking. How would I do that? Actually, I have no clue.
Which part?
Make them like push each other apart.
Well, do you want to make them push each other apart, or do you just want them to like puff out from where the enemy goes?
I would want them to like push each other. So if you spawn like 5 poison clouds on top of each other, they don't like just stack in one place and they're useless. Like I want it to be that like if you get a bunch of poison clouds, they spread out all over the place.
Yeah, so oh. That didn't come through my microphone, did it? Holy shit. Okay, that was like a little scary. Am I still alive?
Yeah.
Okay. There was just a very like out of nowhere really loud thunder. It's sunny as fuck outside. You could probably do something similar with what the items do, which is like you just have an area that detects the other smoke areas, and if there's any smoke, it like gently applies a force in the opposite direction, and then they will slowly, like they will end up pushing themselves away over time. Like
yeah, I think I would want to make that area like smaller than the like damage area of the smoke, because I don't want them to like fully spread out. Spread out.
Yeah.
English is hard.
Mm-hmm. Only sometimes, but yeah, it definitely is.
It's definitely not my first language, so we at least have that.
That's true, yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. So I assume I will probably just want to make up like a poison cloud scene. And that will have a sprite. That will have a 2 areas. It'll have the damage area or the effect area and the like push area. I imagine I would want to have the like pushing area on its own layer. Call this poison area, and this will be, call it separation area. I don't know how to spell separation. We'll call it bush area.
SEPARATION.
Too late.
So what the fuck is that? Sorry, hold on. I need a. What the fuck was that? Kiddo?
What if
Kiddo, what was that?
where do you have stuff for effects? I forget. Effects somewhere in here. I don't know where anything is saved anymore. Effect? Is it in here?
What? What the fuck is this? This is built in? What the fuck are you? Separation ray shape?
Oh, what?
Oh my god, it is.
What
the
does that
fuck?
do?
There's a thing called separation ray shape? That is just a thing
And what
in
is it?
Godot? What the fuck? That feels so weird. I don't know what
What
that
is it?
does. Let's find out with this guy and see what
Maybe
happens.
like read the docs.
I did. It's just I don't know how it
Oh.
functions. Like I know what it said it does, which is that it tries to move it to the end of the ray shape if it hits a collider. But I just don't know how it does that. So let's find out. Oh, interesting. Oh, wow. Okay. So it are you looking at my screen?
Yeah, I think I'd see what it's doing.
Yeah, so there's this arrow here. And if
Yeah.
there's ever ground, like let's say there's ground right here, what it will do is it will move the object back this amount. So it would go up that amount until the tip of this reaches specifically
Yeah.
there.
Interesting.
That's
I don't-
interesting.
I'm trying to see
I
how that'd be
wonder-
useful. It's definitely useful.
Yeah,
but
it
I don't know
definitely
what.
is. Because you could use it to helps object go up slopes without getting stuck, says Google. Is that the Google AI overview? It also has the slide on slope thing, so yeah, that makes sense. But I'm thinking of like one of the things that would be really useful is imagine this. Let's say if we have something like, I don't know, something we don't want spawning in the ground, perhaps. We could set this separation ray up so that whenever we spawn it, let me reload the scene. If I put this motherfucker in the ground, he actually teleports up to the surface. Which is what I'm currently doing manually, is if we have something, like whenever the player enters the room, or not, whenever the train spawns, it like puts a point here, and then like goes up a set amount of distance like to here, and then it does a ray cast downwards until it hits the ground, and then puts this there. So it sounds like this is kind
I
of just
see.
doing that automatically. That's
Yeah.
I'm not going to change anything because what we have works, but it's very nice
Yeah.
to know that that exists.
Yeah, I see. Question for you. Do you want to make a fancy shader for the poison? I'm trying to think
I can.
how I want it to look.
It's like the little flying mobs are so cool. It is, yeah. It's really sick.
Yeah, I like the new flying guys a lot.
Yeah, JW did a really good job of the
little
sound
bugs.
as well. Yeah, they definitely fit way better as bugs than like
Really
the
good job of the
background.
sound. I just pulled something out of my sound library and like changed the EQ on it a little bit and like stuck a few other sounds on it.
Oh, yeah, no, did a good job with the sound. All I did was layered a bunch of sounds, EQ'd them, did a couple of effects, and merged them together so that it sounded good instead of just putting some random shit on it. Yeah, dude, I don't know how to tell you this. That's what sound design is. You just take sounds and layer them.
Easy.
It's easy. Yeah, because it's something you enjoy doing and it's something you've practiced with. There are people that struggle with it. I'm kind of
Okay.
one of them. There's a couple of things that I can do in
Yeah.
sound design that's cool, but I'm not particularly good.
You can
at it.
say hello in a really high pitch.
Sometimes. It
Actually, you
depends on the
can't even
day.
do that.
Hello.
You used
Oh.
to be able to do that.
Now I can. It's just I don't know how to get the. I can
Where's
I
the,
can go
hold
higher pitched,
up.
but like I just don't know
We
how
don't have
to.
a soundboard. I'm so sad. I wish you could have like personal soundboards for people.
Yeah,
I
but
want
I
the,
can't like I can't do it on command. The exact same
I can
voice
at
as
least
before.
play it on my end.
What? Oh, I can just play through the Discord thing because I have
Oh, please do.
Nitro.
What?
Oh, no, that's
No,
not, the
not
right
that
one. My bad.
one.
Hello.
No, that's not the right one either.
Hello. Hello.
That one? Talking about that?
No. No, the new one. The new
Oh,
one.
the new one?
The new one.
That one?
So good.
Hello. What?
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 Okay.
Anyways,
so this
I'm
works.
thinking, how would this?
Stuff
Because I'm thinking, I was originally thinking, oh, what if we like randomly generated the shape of the like poison clouds or like the texture of them, but then like the edges of them would like have a sharp like where they intersect, it would be kind of like jaggy, probably.
You might want to make like a
Like-
mock-up for that if you want something like that. Like if you want to do like a
Yeah.
like a drawing that's just like here's what it would look like, because otherwise. it's
So
kinda
what
hard
I
to-
was thinking is like generally they'll probably be somewhat circle shaped. But if you have two circles and you like put them next to each other, they have these like little spots in them that are sharp
yeah, like
inside.
the dips or whatever.
So yeah, what I'm thinking is like, is
Oh,
there
you're
a
talking
way
about
to
meta
like?
balls. You want meta balls?
Yeah.
Do you know what
Is
meta
there a way
balls
to
are?
like smooth that out? Yeah, it's like the balls that like stick together.
Yeah.
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 We're gonna have a. I'm pretty sure there's a note somewhere that just says meta ball boss.
I think so. Yeah. Yeah, you're talking about these
So,
things
good
where like
practice
they
for
kind of
that.
merge together rather than like doing just like a straight.
Yes, exactly like that. So that way, like, if the smoke ever like separates or like gets pushed around or things like that, it looks nice
Yeah.
and smooth.
Yeah, yeah, meta balls sick. I got two balls
I got
for
two
you.
balls for you.
What the hell?
Yay!
What? What are you saying? Why are you like this?
What?
Oh
It's a
shit!
gift for me.
Loud
I
ass
never get
fucking
gifts.
thunder. What'd you say?
I said I never get gifts.
That's crazy. Bro said I hate my parents.
no, I did not say
That's
that.
crazy. He
Also,
said
I'm
I
lying.
hate my parents. He just said that. By the way, you guys heard
I'm
that
also
too, right?
lying. I'm lying. I'm sorry. I'm a horrible liar. Just like Billidic.
That no,
Why,
don't
like,
you
drawing
dare
with
say that about
circles?
me. Don't you dare say I'm a horrible
Dog.
liar. We're playing Among Us after this. We're hopping on Among Us.
Okay. What if we did hop on Among Us? What if we got some people to join VC and we played Another Door on stream?
How many people can you play it with?
We could probably get Tone to join. I'm sure he would join.
Dude, I fucking love the premise of that game. It's so good.
Let me ping Tone and see if he wants to play later. Cause also on board, so I'm just drawing with circles.
That's crazy. Alright, let me make sure the game works like this. You also heard him say he hates his parents? Yeah, no, I was thinking the exact same thing. I was like, damn, bro. It's crazy you said that.
Tone said he's down.
Dude, I'm getting nervous. I'm getting anxious. The fucking song that I'm listening to is the Rockwall song. And it's at the point where it just goes like for like a minute. I'm like, that's
I love
usually at the point where
Rockwall
like I'm
song.
about
The
to.
Rockwall song is great.
It is. It's just like there's a part of the song where it gets like very, very anxious. Or I get very anxious. It doesn't get that anxious. I think.
I heard paired rats. What?
Why? How? Make that make sense. Maybe don't make that make sense.
See, we got peak music on my stream right now.
Oh, is Paired Rats the song?
No.
Oh, okay. I don't know what paired rats is then.
I'm saying we have peak music on my stream.
It's Pikuniku, isn't it?
Anyways, no, it's not actually. It's Risk of Rain. Do you like the Risk of Rain soundtrack? Or are you weird?
I think it's good. I think it's good inside of Risk of Rain. It's not music that I would listen to on my own, though.
That's crazy.
What do you mean that's crazy? How's that crazy?
Because it's like really good. I don't know why you wouldn't want to listen to it on your own. Sometimes I just like play it when I'm opening at work. Because it's fire. There we go. This is what the smoke should look like, or the poison should look like, by the way. Maybe not exact, but... See, I don't know how you do that, but good luck. So would you do a shader for that?
Huh?
Would you do a shader for like meta balls or whatever?
Yeah.
I just don't. I can't even comprehend like how that works theoretically.
So what would I do for that? Let me. I can use something fun to think about right now. Ideally, what I would want to do is I would want to make some. Well, are they going to be perfectly like round the entire time?
What do you mean by perfectly around the entire
Like, are
time?
they just going to be like straight up balls, or is it going to be like weird shapes sometimes?
No, I mean I think they should be kind of weird shapes.
Okay, that's okay. I wanted to.
Yeah.
Because there's a couple ways that I could go about doing it. The first one is if they are just like circles, then like I'm thinking of like let's say that actually there's a circle tool. I'll use that. So let's say that we have these circles here, like this. You could either there's a couple of ways you could go about doing the shader for this. You could check. Like, from this pixel, you could check in every direction and look for a circle. That's stupid and dumb, so we're not doing that. We can instead define a circle as a center point and then a radius. So, given a point, we could, like, check what the closest circle is by checking the distance to the center of the circle minus the radius, which would give us, you know, this distance. D. That's not a D. I can't write D. And then whichever of these is the smallest is actually your SDF value. And so you can use that SDF value to tell how much of this, like whether this pixel should be shaded or not. So, like, we could say, like, if SDF is less than 5, you know, color it in. And what that means is that rather than like a straight line between it, it would be like, it would kind of like morph together a little bit. However, if it's not circles, then I'll have to do something a little different, which is totally fine. It's just that I think I would have to use Godot, like built-in stuff. I think I would have to do some weird stuff with viewport rendering to render it out as an SDF.
Or
that's fine.
If you wanted to, you could do the the sticking them together part and then like morph it from there rather than trying to take weird shapes and stick them together.
Sorry, what?
So how you're saying with the circles, it's like simple,
Mm-hmm.
and with not circles, it's more complicated. What you could do is do the meta ball thing with the circles and then like morph the shape after you like merge them together.
Yeah, but don't worry
Actually,
about it
I guess like no, that could because I don't know.
Yeah, don't worry about it too much.
So,
There's ways that we
yeah.
can have Godot do it for us. Because light maps can render SDF, and you can also render viewport SDF stuff as well, kind of. So I think I could probably, given a canvas group, there's definitely some things we could do with rendering an SDF from Godot and then sampling that, like what Mrs. was talking about in his talk.
yeah, I definitely remember what
it's
he
fine.
said
You don't
in
need
his talk.
to. It's chill. I wrote it down in my notes because it was something that I thought was really cool. But basically what he did was, for the shadows in his game, he actually just has a viewport which only renders shadows. And And so what ends up happening is he has like his wall here, you know, a wall here, and then like the light source is right here. And so it ends up rendering like, you know, all of this is lit up, and then there's like a shadow here and then a shadow out here or whatever. And basically everything that's lit up is like pink or whatever. And then everything that isn't is like black. And then he's able to sample that inside of a shader after it's been rendered, which is something I could do. I can also do a custom light pass in Godot. There's a lot of things that we can do. A lot of things.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just I would need to experiment around a little bit with it, but yeah. So you come up with the effect. I could probably fuck around with something to figure it out.
Cool. Yeah, I will use gradient textures while I wait. Because I love gradient textures.
True. Dude, his tone has changed so much about gradient textures. This motherfucker used to be like,
I'm joking. I'm LARPing as the gradient
he
texture
used to be
fan,
like,
actually.
you're so evil for using gradient textures, and now he's like, dude,
Nope, you're
gradient
still
textures
so
are like
evil
the
for
greatest
using
thing
gradient
ever.
Textures.
They're so
You're
good.
still evil. You're evil.
They're actually so good for
You are Weevil.
I'm Weevil. That's probably true.
You're Weevil.
They're so good for like prototyping things. So,
Are you still working on the settings menu or whatever stuff?
Yeah.
Just wondering because there's a playtest needs to be updated
Yeah.
now. Because I told people that it would be done today,
Yep.
and they're gonna kill me if
That's
it's not.
true. Wait, you shouldn't have told me that.
No, please, no, please.
I've got changes on my side to fix the
Please.
bugs you were talking about. So unless you want the playtest
Please,
to go out without
no.
bugs or with bugs. Set gameplay setting.
I'll send you a bunch of rivals coins or whatever.
One, you can't do that. Two, why the fuck would I want that? I have so many rivals coins. I'm like out of
Yeah,
things
yeah,
to
sure.
buy.
No, or whatever the paid currency
Oh,
is.
Aetherbox or whatever.
Yeah,
Nah, I don't need that.
crazy. You don't want to get the new GUI skin?
I hate you. You don't want the new GUI
What?
skin.
Quantize the texture to 32 indices. What does that mean?
So you remember the thing that we did where you took a texture that was like a bunch of colors and then you said like shrink it down to only like 8 colors?
No, I don't.
Whenever you're
know
doing the
what you
3D
mean.
thing, you took like a texture and then you like
Ambient occlusion?
no, you like collapsed the picture down to like less colors. You took like a
okay,
full color
so
image
the-
and compressed it down to like
Yeah,
32 colors.
the ambient occlusion.
Nope, wrong.
Oh.
Wait, does this save it? Am I like stupid? Oh, it does call save. Sure. That sucks, but whatever. I thought this just set the value, but I guess not. That's fine. Save gameplay setting. Gameplay keystring save settings file path. How did I change all those at once in the script? So inside of there's a couple of ways you can do like multi-line editing. You can do Control Shift and then down or up to expand your cursors, and then you can do like anytime you do something on one cursor, it does them on all of them. So it's basically the same as if you had one cursor on that line, but you kind of have to manage all of them at once. Or if you have something where like you can see that all of these say set gameplay setting, I can just do Control D and it'll highlight it, and then if I hit Control D again, it'll do the next occurrence and so on until I'm done highlighting, and then from there I have like the ability to do, you know, basically whatever I want, so long as it makes sense. So like for example, I wanted to save all of these, so I pasted all of them, And then I could either do Control Shift down, or I see that they all have like this equal sign config file handler, so I just copy that. And then I can go back, Control Shift right to select the entire variable, copy it, Shift end to get rid of this entire line, and then I can, you know, type in whatever I want, dot blah, wrap this in parentheses, comma, paste. I could even like go back and like do something like that. Like there's a bunch of things that you can do basically.
Another thing I just realized is how should I deal with ground collision? Because I don't want them to like phase into the ground, but I obviously don't want them to like just collide with the ground. I mean, I guess I could do kind of the same thing as
Yeah, but what do you want them to do?
I want it to just like push itself away from the walls.
Yeah, so you can just have the area also detect, like you can just have the ground mask as well.
Oh, I guess that would just work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you can just have it
sure.
like loop over all of the bodies and areas that it currently has, and then like figure out an offset that it should go towards, and then
It's math.
it's not even the dude. I will never understand that.
I don't know.
It's just math. It's math. You don't have to do the math. You just tell the engine to do the math, and then it does it for you.
But I don't know what math to tell it to do.
That's crazy.
I don't even know what I'm writing. I hate coding. Oh, I forgot I can just
Sorry,
why are you giggling like that?
There's a... Have I sent you the Terraria Plantera video?
Maybe. Probably
Okay.
not.
I'm gonna put a reminder in my phone to send it to you after the stream. It's not a video I can
Okay,
show on
sure.
stream.
That's crazy.
But every time I hear the song, which I'm actually gonna listen to it again, that song goes fucking crazy. No, going back doesn't actually work that way in this player. No, that's so sad. Whatever. The Terraria Plantera song is actually so good. But every time I hear it, I think of
this is true.
I think of the meme video.
Get overlapping bodies. Oh, actually, I guess. And let's get a list of all of the.
Okay. So it's
I'm schminking. Yeah, I got no clue what I'm doing. So stupid. What am I?
save Queed. It's funny. Save queued. Dude, I love the word queued because it's just so fun to spell. Because it's just the letter Q followed by 4 letters. Like, what do you mean? Q?
This is true.
Let's see. Save gameplay settings, reload config, load audio queue save. Save settings call deferred if not, or if save queued. Return. Otherwise, save queued dot, or save queued equals true.
Okay.
Call a.
I have question.
Wait, hold on. What's up?
So for obviously for the poison clouds pushing each other apart, I just get the overlapping areas of the clouds, and since they're circles, I just get the center for where to get like the direction of where to push it from. But how do I do that with the tile map?
So you can let me think for a moment. Hold on. Please hold. You can probably just do the same thing. You can probably just say like from dot position, because I think it should basically push it away from the body, I think.
I don't know.
I don't know either. I don't know, good luck.
Because it says returns a list of. I hate this guy.
What?
Returns a list of intersecting physics bodies and
Mhm.
tile maps. So we just
Mhm.
return the tile map.
It will not. It should return a tile map static body, which is slightly different. I think.
It says returns a list of
you-
intersecting. It says physics body, 2D, and tile map.
Alright, let me look at your screen. Where are you looking at right now?
It's gonna get overlapping bodies.
Yeah, so do you have that on a scene already? Does that
Have what?
the thing right there that you're looking at, that script, is that on a scene somewhere?
Yeah, it's on.
Okay, yeah. So just do you like inside the physics process, just do like a console.print for push area dot get overlapping bodies. Alright, and then run it and spawn that bitch in the ground. What the fuck is the node 2D you just opened up, by the way? Ah, I see. Why does it have that second set of UE? I don't know, man. It just be doing that. Q. Q. Dude, your computer sucks. What the hell?
It does. Yay, it opened. Let's go. Hold up. I didn't set there. Yes. Or the collision masks. I will use layer 15 for the poison. And I will search for layer 15 and layer 6. And let me go ahead and rename this layer so I don't forget. Poison clouds. What happens if you need more than 32 collision layers?
Cry. You fucked something up somewhere.
But like,
You have fucked something up somewhere.
I mean,
You have fucked something up very much.
no.
Yes.
Look at that. Oop, I forgot to reload it, didn't I? Oh, no. Wait. Oh, no. Very interesting.
Hmm.
Yeah, see?
Over 32 is insane, yeah. Surely there's a way to add more collision layers. There is, you have to go into the... I believe you might have to recompile the engine, actually, but, let me see. Physics, server, 2D.
Yeah, this is just printing out it's just printing out the tile map layer itself.
Okay, yeah, you might... AI viewers get this shit out of
Is
you.
there better... I'm blowing you up.
Oh, dude, I was thinking about... No, I had such a funny joke I forgot to fucking write down. You know how they... someone in your server mentioned that Twitch was doing, like, some AI shit based on streams? They were, like, training it on streamers or whatever.
Oh, yeah.
I was like, dude, they've been advertising AI viewers for, like, months now. Finally, we have AI streamers. They fucking graduated, dude.
Fire.
Yeah.
There's like get overlapping areas, get overlapping bodies. Hmm. I don't know. Let me look at this. Oh, I just realized it's funny. The documentation for the areas says tile map when it's tile map layer now.
Damn. AI viewers. Yeah, there's we get chatbots, or we get like these spam things in our Twitch chat that's like AI viewers, and then has like a link to a website where you can go buy AI viewers, which is so fucking weird. It makes zero sense to me, but
Actually, it makes a lot
I guess
of
if you're
sense
buying
because-
if you're buying viewers, I mean, like, I guess you're already like kind of a dumb motherfucker, so you might as
I mean,
well.
the point of it is to get fake numbers so that way you show up higher on Twitch because that's how Twitch works.
Yeah. So if you're doing that, you're a dumb motherfucker.
Yeah, but it's
Yeah.
not like they're just doing it for no reason.
Yeah. I know they're doing it for a reason, but they are like dumbasses.
I mean, I would say it's dumb.
View
It's just-
botting, but more expensive. Yeah. It is definitely dumb. Like, it's they're not. They are dickheads for doing it. Dumb as in like it. Not that it's not smart. I mean, it kind of isn't. But
You're not very smart.
what the fuck was I doing? I was doing something. I need to go
I
back
don't
to.
know. You were helping me with my collision thing.
No, I'm hiding your screen again. I unhid your screen for like a minute, and then I started going into Area 2D stuff, so I need to like lock in. Because I want to finish this fucking... Alright, buddy. Alright, dickhead, I'm banning this KW. I think there's a
You're
bot
amazing.
in the chat. And
No,
even if
that's
it's not a
not a
bot, they're
bot.
sending a link to Warframe, so like they might be like...
No, they might be the goat. They might be the goat.
That's crazy. What an evil fucking creature.
Tone, how do I make the area push away from the tile map?
Yeah, Tone. How does he do that?
How at Gork,
At Gork. At Gok.
I have this thing. It's a circle. And when it goes over a tile map, I want it to push itself away from the tile map. Oh, MS Paint. Okay, I got you. Hold up. Here. So we have tile map. This is a tile map. It's got like the tiles on it. Something like that. And then we got the poison. We got the circle. And when the circle goes over the tile map, I want it to hold up. I want it to like go away from the tile map. I guess more realistically it should be this way, you know,
I'm gonna lose my fucking
like
mind.
this.
I don't know what I'm hearing,
that.
but it's making me
I'm doing the
uneasy.
MS Paint explanation. See, look at this, isn't it beautiful?
It's making me uneasy. I'm gonna be sick to my fucking stomach.
And then yeah, that's about it.
Alright, time to get rid of this, I guess. So how much of this can be killed? There's a bunch of gameplay settings in here, right? So, left joystick checked, up button pressed, this gameplay setting. Yeah, that's fine.
Could I use the like the signal? I'm thinking for like when it overlaps.
What?
Could I use this like what is it called?
I don't know.
Area entered or body entered?
Okay,
Area
kind
2D
of.
collision
You might be able
something.
to, but maybe.
what is it? Oh wait, this is oh, it's poison area. Oh no, push area. I guess I could do body shape enter. This gives me the shape 2D. I wonder what, do you know what this would return for the tile map collision? The
No.
body shape entered.
I have no clue. I thought that body entered would be enough to return it, but I guess not.
I mean, maybe. I know that gives me more stuff.
What does?
Because if you do this, it just gives you, gives me the same thing. It's the physics body or tile map. So it would just return the tile map itself. Does that make sense? Which I don't want.
Oh, yeah.
Because I don't have any way to figure out where the collision point is from that information.
Yeah.
Programmer boy,
What up?
use brain.
Mm-mm.
Brian Blast.
No, not Brian. Fuck, dude. What's Stewie gonna do now without his sidekick?
Try a secondary dominant. Okay.
That's true. So, and I don't remember, is secondary dominant, is that, the 5 of your 5, or is that a type of chord in your scale? Like, is secondary dominant like your 2 because it has the same feeling as like your 5? Or am I smoking crack on both of those?
I think that one. It's almost 5 o'clock. What the hell?
It's the 5 of the desired location that is in your
We
route.
gotta play our
Oh,
game
okay.
later.
Oh, so it's not just the 5 of your 5, it's the 5 of... I see. Interesting. It's like if you were moving from, like, C to G, like, scale-wise, it would be the 5 of G while you're in C. C is the 4 of G. Yeah, that's great. I mean, like, if you're moving from the key of C to the key of G. Sorry, why did this get pissed at me? Oh, because it's not called speedrun timer anymore. It's called speedrun enabled. You doing stream on your PC so you can work on Godot now? Nice. It's not a key change always. I see. Doesn't see. Am I stupid? What am I doing, dude? I'm just like not even thinking anymore. They like turned that shit off. I think they nerfed that last patch.
Do you need to end stream? Are you sleepy?
No? And I definitely don't need to now that you've said it like that.
See, exactly. Now you're gonna work more. It works.
Now you're gonna wait. Gimme.
No thoughts, only meow meow. So true.
Let me see. Why is this not... What is this doing? Am I stupid? There's a decent chance that that's a yes.
What the heck is an RID?
Hello,
That's okay.
Arburing. Welcome in. Thanks for the raid. What is a what? You said RID? Okay. Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I'm thinking.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay. I got this. I can figure it out.
I don't think that's true.
Basic. I can't spell physics.
I can figure it out. It fucks up spelling physics. Yeah, no, for sure, dude. What the fuck am I doing? Why is this... Accessible font still works, that's funny, but nothing else in here is... Oh, no, I lied. That one does something. Oh, why is that saved as a video setting? That's weird. I mean, I guess that makes some sense, but weird. That's not in here. Let me think for a moment. I need to use my brain. Which is like the worst thing ever. So screen shake toggled will instead do what? I'll say gameplay settings dot screen shake enabled is equal to toggle on, and then we'll get rid of that. So if I do this, this should hopefully actually handle that. Okay, so the screen shake is off currently, and now it's still off. Okay, cool. Great. Actually, that's terrific. What the fuck? Oh, how do you get a position to raycast collided at? Depends if you're doing a raycast through code, like using the direct space state. It should return a dictionary from the physics server dot raycast whatever. And in that dictionary, there's a collider object or a position, one of those two. If you're using the node, I don't know, good luck. It should say it in the docs if you control click on the, or even if you right click on the node in the hierarchy, it'll, and go to open documentation, it'll tell you, hopefully. So why is this not screen shake manager?
Wait, is this what I need? This might be what I want. I think I got it.
I don't think that saves. Let me make sure. Right, yeah. You read the docs, your stupid ass can't read. Honestly, that's fair sometimes. My stupid ass can't think right now, so. Okay, so this is set to disabled even though it's on for sure. So let's fix that under settings.gd.
Maybe this will work. I don't know. This probably won't work. It's over for me.
I don't understand. Why is this not running? Oh, that ran 2 times, and neither of them correctly got it. That's cool. Hello, operator.
Wait, hold up, Biddy.
What's up?
Did you see the Mystery Booster Commander that they're making?
The what?
Mystery Booster Commander.
Mystery Booster Commander?
Magic stuff.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, I know, but Mystery Booster
Yeah.
Commander, is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay.
Did you see that? That's a thing that they're doing. Okay, well, that's the thing that they're doing. And it's adding a bunch of new cool commander stuff, allegedly. But one that I'm seeing that has been discovered that is cool, is a sorcery that can be your commander.
Oh, God.
Yeah, there's some
Ew.
fun stuff in this. It's a legendary sorcery, and it says you may cast a legendary sorcery only if you control a legendary creature or planeswalker.
Ah, I see.
And it
Yeah,
can be your
legendary
commander.
sorceries already exist.
Yeah. Oh, okay, I didn't know that. Okay. So basically, it's a sorcery that you can play from, like, as a commander.
Yeah.
That's kind of sick. So what it does is it costs 3, like there's no X cost, but it's discover X, where X is the amount of mana spent to cast a spell, which is like it's basically like, oh, it's like Cascade, but you can choose to put it in your hand, it looks like. So you can either put it on the battlefield or put it in your hand, whatever you want. Interesting. Pretty cool. There's another one that has an activated ability that says it create a Black Lotus token. It's
Cool.
literally just a Black Lotus
That's
token.
a fun way to get around the...
It's really cool.
That's a very fun way of getting around the we're
That's
never
so
printing Black
funny.
Lotus again.
Yeah. There's gonna be some funny stuff in here. Nobody's going to get it because it's Mystery Booster, but
Screen shakes enabled. Why?
pretty cool.
Why I oughta? I'm gonna get angry.
They also adding a thing called a mechanic called rule breaker. It's not a mechanic, but it's like the little thing where it's like the little keyword and then it's like the special text. Like the keyword doesn't actually do anything, but it just kind of tells you what it does.
Yeah.
But basically it just changes the rules of commander for that card.
Oh.
So
Yeah.
like one of them is like you can have, I think there's one commander that's like you can have instants or sorceries of one other color not in the commander's like color.
Yeah. The color identity.
Yeah.
That's sick. Blacker Lotus win. Yeah, we need the Blacker Lotus and the
Yeah.
Blackest Lotus.
And there's this one that I'm seeing here, which is a legendary artifact creature. A deck with this commander can have artifact creature and equipment cards of any color identity and any basic land cards. So, looks like some cool stuff. It doesn't look like ridiculous, it's just like silly stuff that's very different. And will be fun, probably. Assuming you can get it. Hopefully won't be a pain to get. Because Mystery Booster you can like only get from either in-person events or secret layers. So what was I doing? I got distracted. I saw magic and I was like, ooh. Oh, here, let me send these to the Magic
How
Group
the
chat before I
fuck is
forget.
this?
Hold up.
Oh, because this is... Oh my god, I fucked up the order. This should be way the fuck up here. Oopsies. Figured it out. For some reason, you struggle so much when typing an underscore that you're actually thinking about somehow changing the way to type underscore. That's interesting. It's very, very interesting. Because this is run at... Yeah, this is at runtime, I see. If you're on Linux, you can change caps lock to input underscore instead. Because then that gets rid of the worst keyboard on the or the key on the keyboard, which is caps lock, by the way. It is the worst key on the keyboard by like a lot. Okay, so I want this to... Oh, that's actually so annoying. There's not like a... Well, actually, there is a set method, right? Can I... Does this get called?
Okay, back to what I was doing. Poison Cloud.
Where's the return from? Override this method to customize this. Should set the property to value and return true or false if the property should be handled normally. And so should set it and return true or false if it should be handled normally. Okay, so false is the one I want to return here because I'm not writing it. I'm just saying yo dog do thing, right? Does this
How do I show
work?
collision shapes again? I forget.
Shift RDD collision shape. Or project collision visible or whatever editor. Debug.
So I think what this is doing is... Yeah, it's printing out like which one of these things it's colliding with inside of here. Which is almost what I want. But I don't think I can get like the global position of it from there.
Sorry, what's up?
So what this is doing right now is so this is the global position of the thing that I'm spawning in. I think, yeah. The second one. The first one is the coordinates of the collision, the like section of the tile map collision that it's hitting. So like if I do here, it's 1 -1. So it's like 1 over and up 1.
Yeah, like the quadrant or whatever.
Yeah, like the quadrant, because it's like cells, yeah.
Yeah. Well, it's not cells.
So
Cells are like the individual like blocks.
yeah. So I don't know if there's a better way to do it than that.
So how are you doing that? How are you getting that?
Like this.
Body.get chords for body ID? What the fuck is that? What is get chords for
I don't
body
know.
ID? Where is that from?
It's from the tile map.
Oh, I see. Um... I don't know actually. Let me think for a moment. So body is a tile map layer. Is that what you're getting?
Yes.
Okay.
There's also body shape index and local shape index, which I'm not sure. I think
What is body RID? Is that
it's an RID.
is that the colliding thing?
No,
that
that's the body that it's because the thing that I'm hitting with is an area. So anything that's body is the tile map.
Okay, so body RID is the
tile
tile maps, whatever.
Yes.
I see. Okay, so I think what you could do. Is there not a... God, I hate that this does this sometimes. Area gets shape transformed. Yeah, that's great. That's not what I want though. I believe you might be able to do body gets shape transform. So if you do physics server 2D. Dot body get shape transform. Pass in the body RID and the body shape index. Then that should give you a transform that should have the... You should be able to grab the global position or the position from it, but yeah, just print it out and see what happens. I believe that gets serialized to... Cool. Now that's sick.
That is pretty cool.
Yeah, sorry, I don't understand. So get chords for body RID. Huh. Oh my god, it keeps putting me out of where I want to be. I want to be in here. I want to look at the methods. There's body get state, which has body state transform. Maybe that. Can you try... instead of body get shape transform, can you do body get state? And then for the second param, can you pass in body state dot body state transform, which might be a global variable. I don't know though, actually. Just pass in 0. Fuck it. We're just testing something.
Okay.
It's fine. It's just gonna complain that you're not passing in the enum that it wants.
That's something.
Yeah, try doing... Okay, now you can do dot... That doesn't... Does that seem right? Dot get origin would get you a number or a position. Does that seem correct?
32, 96 minus 32.
That doesn't
Definitely
seem
not
correct.
No, it's not.
That's because the scale is... multiply that by 4.
Okay.
Because the tile map is scaled by 4.
Still not it.
did I multiply the right thing by 4?
Yeah, I don't know. I can take a look at it after a bit as well if you want. If you're not able to figure it out.
Yeah, I have no clue.
I'm sure there's a way easier way of doing this.
Yeah.
Like, does Area 2D not have like a separation or whatever? There's a separation ray shape, which is funny, but no, that's not what we want. Yeah, I'll look at it in a little bit, but I'm gonna put you on screen because I need to really go use the bathroom.
Why does Area 2D have a audio bus thing? What?
Because you can do things with audio when you're in an area.
Oh, cool.
You can set up spatial audio, like if you have like a part of the level where when you walk into it, you want to like enable reverb because you're in like a big tunnel or whatever. You can do that.
Uh-huh.
That's actually a thing that's been in games like since like I want to say Half-Life might have been one of the maybe not the first, but definitely one of the first where like different areas would have like different audio effects enabled and disabled based on volumes and things. But yeah, I'm gonna be right back, so good luck.
What am I doing? Let's see what other junk there is in here. I will figure this out.
All right, I'm back.
Solution. What if we put like a billion raycasts in a
Nope.
circle around the poison cloud?
No.
Okay.
How about not that? I'm actually really surprised that this doesn't get called. I'm like hella surprised this doesn't get called. But I guess it's because this says that it doesn't built-in properties of an object, including properties defined at export. So, although I will try exporting these because I don't like listening to the docs and assuming that it's telling the truth. So if I wanted to add something that, man, that's annoying.
Okay, so what I'm seeing is looks like you can use the shape 2D instead of the body to like do manual collision stuff to figure out what the points are like between them. But I don't know what exactly. I'll let you figure that out. But it looks like you use the shape instead of the body, the like built-in area stuff.
Makes sense.
So you like get overlapping bodies, and then you get the shape from each of them and see what the points in between them are, and then like average it out from there
like
or
a
whatever.
separation force or whatever, and then calculate that based on physics server 2D, some shit. Something like that.
So you would get the overlapping bodies from the area that would return the two bodies that are assuming there's just two, and then you'd get the shape of each of those from each of those, and then I'm pretty sure there's like a shape. No, well, let me look at the shape functions. Shape 2D. Collide and get contact. So turn a list of contact point pairs where this shape touches another.
Where's that at?
On shape 2D.
Oh.
So you just pass in another shape and like some other stuff. So that's how you do it. I'll let you do that though, because I don't feel like doing math tonight and I'm tired.
I see. Interesting. I didn't know that. I've never really looked at the shape 2D stuff, to be honest, that much.
I mean, I think it makes sense because, like, I don't know, probably makes sense.
Oh my god.
What?
Hold
What?
on. I'm about to throw up, I think.
What?
I
Did you
think.
just miss
Oh wait, no.
something?
No,
Did
no, I
something
might.
funny happen?
Hold on, I might still throw
Mhm.
up, I think. What? I'm gonna crash the fuck out.
Why?
So Shape 2D has a function on it called draw, where you can specify
Yeah,
what you want it
see that.
to draw onto. Which
Mhm.
means that I would probably have been able to create, like, let's say that we wanted to render a Shape 2D in the world somewhere.
Mhm.
I could probably, like, you know, have this as like the top level node. Node. And then put the shape, or actually, this could just be like any node 2D. And then I could just like tell the shape, yo, draw onto this thing. So that if this was part of, I don't know, something like the enemy indicators, if I wanted to draw any collision shape 2D, I probably could have just called this function. Because I don't know if you know what I'm doing for the enemy indicators. Because I have a shape drawing function that I did where I'm drawing the shapes via this, but I could have just like
see.
I could have just given it. I could have just I probably could just do like for shape and shapes, just fucking draw. Whatever. I'm putting it to do note here. Look into shape 2D.draw. And now I get to figure out how I want to make this work because this isn't updating as often as I want it to, and I don't want to have to call the update function every single time we update any of these settings, but I might have to, which sucks a little bit.
Okay.
Let me think if there's any way that I can do this that isn't like this doesn't have a where is the set function? Yeah, objects don't have like a method that is like anytime it's being, I mean there's that one, but obviously that's not working. I don't want to have to define a sitter function for all of these, man. It's so annoying. I guess like I don't have to, because I could just call like QSave every time they get updated, but that feels wrong. I'll just call QSave manually. And if settings don't save, then people will yell at me, and that's okay.
Rip. Anyways, I'm gonna go play Rivals. Bye-bye.
What? Why are you so into playing Rivals now? Like, what the fuck happened?
I've literally played Rivals for like months. Like, I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, but you stopped playing Rivals for like the last year.
That's not true.
That
I'm
is
a Crag
true.
main.
Um?
I'm a Crag main.
I remember whenever Nacito said that if you made an adamantine tool in Dwarf Fortress, he was going to give you one of the secret layer sets for Dwarf Fortress. That was fun.
Yeah. I mean, if
Completely
it was
unrelated.
like, if it was better, I would have done it, but like, they're so ugly.
It's crazy. First said, I hate Dwarf Fortress.
Playing Rivals in secret on the toilet. I mean, I do have a laptop. I could do that.
Yeah, but you stream on the laptop. He just takes his laptop into the bathroom while he's streaming. He opens up Rivals. Is just playing Rivals while the stream's going. Literally no reason not to just be at his desk doing the same thing.
Yeah, you're right.
Honestly,
I'm
that's
opening
funny as fuck.
Rivals.
That's a funny one.
I'm opening Rivals.
I hate you. I hate this thing. This thing pisses me off. Green screen behind the toilet. That's true. It's damn true. Why did you open
Playing
Rivals Invader
Rivals.
2? And why do I have the main menu music of Rivals 2 playing right now? I'm pissed.
Oh, here, I guess I gotta pause my music because it's gonna play the Rivals music.
Oh my god, we're like synced up on music. It's crazy.
Whoa. I'll have to switch it to windowed. This is probably gonna run at like 5 FPS
It probably will, yeah.
streaming, but that's okay.
Are you actually playing Rivals?
Oh wait, I still have like, the game open.
I still have the game open. Yeah, you sure do. Oh, yes, there it is. There it is. There it is. There, found it. Found it.
What you found? What? Look, it's still
Block
loading.
in,
Here, I'll close it while it's loading.
block input when not focused. That was the fucking setting that I remembered that I wanted to add from fucking like 2 hours
Okay.
ago when I was thinking like, oh, I wanted to add an extra setting. What was it? It was this. It was blocking input.
Yeah.
There it is. Because I was like, damn, bro, it's crazy. You can't just like turn off input when you're not focused the game, but you can because we have that setting and that's a thing in
Yeah.
4.7. It's built in. Because Godot loves us. Godot's so happy and loves
True.
us so much.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. All right.
Oh, Okay, now I have to switch it to windowed. How do I do this? Windowed again. Game graphics. Oh, it's lagging. It's gonna be fun.
Why isn't this
Windowed. Apply. Apply. Oh. Does this just work? Oh, I messed it up. What did I do?
Name it the thing that makes a number positive no matter its sign. Abs, ABS, or ABSF if you want specifically float. It is the absolute value of something.
What the heck did I just do?
Godot has a built-in ABSF. This also works for vectors, so if you have a vector 2, it also has an abs function on it.
Oh. What the heck?
What's up?
I don't know what I just did. Does my screen look weird to
Oh,
you, or is it
shit.
just me?
You...
I don't know what I
you
did.
changed your monitor resolution with that. Because you set it to full screen and then you changed the resolution of the window.
No, I set it to windowed. There we go. Nope, that's not right.
Oh, wow.
Why does it not have the window tab? What happens?
Just restart the game at this point.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's fine. Just restart the game. Use your
It's not letting
controller.
me close the
Use your
menu.
controller because the mouse input stuff be fucked up.
What did I do?
See, dude, it's not just Godot.
Uh,
It's not just us. Even good devs have issues like that.
good devs are, bro.
Yeah, dude, the Rivals devs are like fucking sick. What do you mean?
Bro, they put floor hugging in the game. They suck.
You don't even know what floor hugging is! Shut up! I hate this
but they did, didn't
motherfucker.
they?
Because they
They
put
did.
floor hugging in. He has no clue what that means, by the way. He has no idea.
There we go. There's my window thing. Now I can resize it probably. Let me wait for it to load before I try dragging the window around because I will probably break it. Good, I don't reload the shaders.
Rivals of Aether. Twah.
Nope, I have to the shit because they hate me.
Yeah, pretty much.
There we go. Now it fits in the window. Let's.
Why is this...
Rivals of Aether 6-7.
Why is this not updating? Am I stupid? Am I dumb?
Yeah, I think that one.
What? Yeah, you're true. You're real for that one, twin.
There we go. That's more like it. Okay. See how laggy is this gonna be. Oh, it's bad. That's not bad. I get 50 FPS in the menus. Playable. Oh, this is... Well, it says 60 FPS, but my screen looks like 20.
Dude, he's actually playing
Because-
Rivals, by the way, for anyone curious. Oh, dude, he's ledge dashing. Look at him.
Yeah, look at me go. Ah, I'm so good at this.
That's crazy you're
game.
queued up for ranked. You're not even like... There's not even like, I don't know. It's crazy you're queuing for ranked right now. Alright. So, looks like this is most nice. Oh, wait. You need to do
Thank
the
you.
thing where you, go back to the character select. Ah, too late.
No.
I was gonna say you gotta do the thing where you kill yourself in the character select and crash the game
Oh, true, you're right.
before it gets patched out, before they fix it. They might not. To be honest, I don't know if they probably won't fix it for a while.
Fleet.
Oh, easy.
Yeah, easy when you're not on 5 FPS. Oh, this is 1 frame per sometimes. Oopsies.
Oh, nice.
This is unplayable. Why does it do this? I mean, didn't we play Rivals on stream before? Like, and it wasn't this laggy.
Yeah.
Because it says it's running at 50 FPS, but on my screen it looks like 10, and I don't know why. Does anybody know why?
Because you're capturing your thing from Windows, and Windows really, really, really doesn't like that. Can you do squared in Godot? You can, yeah. Do you mean like... Hold up, let me go back to this. So, I actually don't remember. I don't think this is a thing. Is this a thing? Oh my god, do we have a... This might do power. To be honest, I don't remember if this is a thing. It seems like it's not upset with me, and I'm pretty sure any other time this would be an issue. But you can also do POW, which is like 5 to the power of 2 is what that is. Windows exclusive full screen buffer readouts are jank. Yeah, it's not even. He's not an exclusive full screen.
Yeah.
Because he can't. Because he's got the IMAX monitor. Yo, she just saved the fuck out of you like 8 times, by the way.
Yeah, I know. I just am at 5 FPS. I can't do anything about it.
Lower your graphics setting.
That's not gonna help. It's not an FPS issue. It's just whenever I stream, it just does this. It's like any game.
Turn off your Discord screen share then.
But then you can't see.
That's okay.
Actually, that's probably what it is. Because now that I think about it, last time we did that, we obviously weren't Discord screen sharing. Because like, you can see. Maybe we should just stop Discord screen sharing. I wonder if there's a better way to do it than Discord screen sharing.
I don't know, honestly.
Like, probably not, but like maybe. Oopsies, am I dead? No, I don't know how I didn't die there.
Let me see if this works. I don't think it will, but maybe it does.
Ouch. Okay, what did we lock in?
And your Discord screen share.
I'll turn off.
Forget.
Yeah. I forgot about that. Yeah.
Yeah, I got you. Don't worry. Okay, this crashed. That's cool. Oh yeah, because this isn't a thing. Gameplay settings. Stop. That. Fire
capital? Yeah, this is like instantly better. It's weird that it's not like streaming in general. It's just Discord.
Do you have hardware acceleration turned on or off in Discord?
I don't know.
You might want to check that out because it might be that it's not using hardware accelerated like video streaming, which might be the problem. I hate the term hardware acceleration because I know what it means, but it is kind of a terrible name for it.
It's still a little laggy, but I think that's just a graphics issue now. Ow, I'm stupid. Oh, you didn't see that 'cause you can't watch.
Correct, yeah.
She kept shooting shooting down on the ledge because I was down below, and I managed to make it all the way back up on when I was like all the way at the bottom, and she fell down and died.
Mm-hmm.
Which is pretty impressive, I gotta say it. Ow, I'm lagging.
Holy shit, Covino! The goat? Welcome in, welcome in.
40, what the hell?
Yeah, dude, the goat. How's it going? I'm getting yoinked like a motherfucker. Shout out to Govino. Saw him once or twice while at GadoCon. You're dead? No, so real. I'm just doing some game dev, refactoring some stuff before we update the playtest. Because I'm evil and decided I would do a big rewrite of the settings menu. Teehee. What were you guys working on? What were you up to? What kind of cool stuff were you doing? He said from the grave with his rigid body. I mean, at least it's not a character body. Because then he has to do like more manual stuff, you know? That's a Godot joke for you, JW. I don't know if you know get that.
Hello,
I don't know if you
Sonic
get that one.
Spinball. Is it Sonic Spinball or Sonic's Pinball?
Do you want to take a guess?
I'm playing Rivals because I don't know.
Sorry, hold on. Sorry, I got hit with a fucking flashbang. Working on our new prototype for a roach breeding shop sim. What in the fucking world are you... What?
Okay, I'm done streaming Rivals now.
Roach breeding. It's crazy.
What do I do now? Maybe I just go take a nap.
Open Rivals back up. I
No. Why?
don't know. Rigid body character controller, full physics, friend slop type of game. Honestly, dude, that might be the move.
Maybe I should do that.
The pirate software breeding simulator. Maybe that's not... No, never mind.
Don't say that.
Yeah, no, I was saying that because I was like, oh, you know, roach, that's funny. And then I realized the words that came out of my mouth, and I was like, never mind. Yeah, never mind on that one. Scratch that idea. We'll call it roach. That one's much better, yeah.
Yeah. I might go eat dinner because I'm hungry.
What's
I may go eat dinner.
What? Oh, you're just like leaving like that?
Yeah, I might just leave you. I also need to practice guitar.
No, dude. What do you mean this doesn't have a set type? Are we yoinking my chain or like what's up? It hella does. Cannot infer the type of the variable. But it does because it's a texture 2D array. What are we talking about? Evil. Desperately need food. Good luck, good luck. Then what I'll do here is I will say skin.resource name. And I can do gameplay settings dot player skin is equal to skin.resource name. Yes.
I am going to go eat, so
Shit.
I will be back later.
All right. Good luck.
Good luck. Bye bye.
Yeah, he's gone.
Well, I'm still here for now. My stream's over. but
Unfortunate.
I'm still here.
Why is this?
All right, I'll be on later to play funny
Rivals
friend slop.
or
See ya.
whatever. All right.
Or
Good
that,
luck.
yeah. See ya.
Why is this? Okay, so I guess it's just me for now. Goodbye, people. Or not goodbye, people. Sorry. Goodbye, JW. Hello, people. I don't know why this is value of type string cannot be assigned to a variable of type int. Okay, that's great, dude. I can actually see right here that it says this is a string. So I don't know why we're yanking my chain like that. If I hit run, does it fail? Because it definitely shouldn't. Player skin cannot convert argument 1 from int to string. Okay, well this should be Dante. Set player skin name string. Yeah, weird. Weird. Hello, Justice Zach. How's it going? How you doing? Okay, yeah, no, it's fine, dude. You can like, this can just like, keep crying and complaining. Player skin is this. What if I like get rid of this and then paste it back? Is that gonna somehow fix it? Let's just reload the project. I think something's upset with me somewhere. I'm sorry, Toad Factory. I want to hit something else. Hit me with something good. Real good. Some real good, I said. Okay, yeah, just like keep giving me Napcast just over and over. Oh, this is fine. This is a good one. Okay, so now you know this is a string. Cool. Okay, I guess it was just upset with something for some reason. Okay, no. Alright. Stuff looks so cool. Thanks. It's mostly... So the art is JW, who is not here currently. He just left. But, I appreciate it either way. Working on a game that looks really cool is really fun. Set player skin in base node cannot convert argument 1 from int to string. What are we talking about? Set player skin right here. And what we're... Oh, it's because of this, isn't it? Right here. I don't actually know... I guess this probably needs quotes around it, I assume. Oh my god, whenever I closed the game, it updated the save. Lol. Dante. Let's try that. Okay, so that didn't crash. This says Alien Biscuit, which is wrong, but that's okay. So I can do func get player skin, which will return a texture 2D. Because what I can do is I can take the skin name and I can say for skin in all skins. I can say if skin dot resource name dot to not camel case, to snake case is equal to player skin dot to snake case. I can say return skin. Otherwise, we'll just return null. I guess otherwise... otherwise, we'll just return the Dante one, I guess. I think it's that one, perhaps. It's a peak music. Yeah, the Wind Waker soundtrack is so good. It's like kind of broken how good it is. So apply gameplay settings. What this will do is I need this to now go through the skin options button. Is it items? Okay, I don't remember how options button works. Do we have a list of anything? Oh, I guess we don't. That's cool, I guess. Let me see, how am I adding these? Am I adding these via name by chance? That'd be like really, really cool if I was. Where is, so ready, setup options, skin options button, add item, label, ID. Can I select an option via name or no? No, I guess it's just by that. I'm actually a little surprised by that, to be honest. I thought that I'd be able to select that in a better way, but I guess not. That's okay. Because I can do var skin index is 0, and then I can say skin index plus equals 1. And then whenever this gets selected, I can say gameplay settings dot all skins dot get index or dot find. That's the one. Oh no, I guess that doesn't. Hold on. I need to rewrite this a little bit, I think. Because this is just an array, I kind of want this to be a dictionary. So that I can map it from string and texture. And then we can say all skins sub sprite name is equal to texture. Yes. And then on here, we will say skin is all skins dot get player skin. Otherwise, we want this to fall back and get this, which I will actually probably. Oh wait, what? Oh, I guess that doesn't work. Dante's great. So this should work. And then inside of settings again, instead of doing .find, I will do. Well, actually, I will do .find. I will do allskins.keys.find, passing in the current skin. Gameplay settings dot player skin. I believe should give me the index with which I can do skin options button. Selected is that, I think. And then down here, skin is this, all that, under that. Actually, no, .keys is the name. Yeah, okay. So I can just do this. Oh, I guess I want that as well, don't I? No, bad. This, I can do this inside of the setter, because we have a setter here. So I can say global stats dot player skin is equal to all skins sub skin name. And then I can also say player skin is equal to skin name. I think. We're going to find out if this crashes. It probably will, and that's okay. I'm totally okay with that. I'll also say I probably have about 10 to 15 more minutes in me, and then I'm going to probably head out. Okay, you don't need this this index anymore. All skins dot values. I guess I would do dot. I guess I wouldn't even go over dot keys. I would just do that because this iterates over keys by default, right? Question mark. Invalid access to property keys on base object. What? Oh, because this is a function. Lol. All skins dot keys dot find. Can I just do? Is there a dot find off of dictionaries? There sure is. I didn't even. Oh, I know. Oh no, I'm stupid as fuck. This is not even remotely close to the right method. Yeah, okay, I definitely want this to be .keys stuff, mind. Okay, it didn't crash. That's really cool. It is currently Dante. If I change this to orange, it is orange. Okay, that looks like that works. If I change this to Uni and then close the game and then rerun the game, does this still work? Does it save the skin? I don't think it does. We'll find out. We shall find out. Okay, it says Alien Biscuit. Let's find out what it actually is. Okay, it is Uni, so it's just the button isn't getting updated. And the reason for that is what? Wait, actually, why is that? Oh, okay. Weird. It updated after the fact. Let me think for a moment. Why? Console.print applying gameplay. Let me reload this and see when it first applies gameplay, because it might be too early or not at all. One of the two. Hopefully. Oh, it applies it a fuck ton of times. That was really cool. And somehow none of them actually got this correct. Weird. What? This is set to... I think it might be something to do with this not being correct. Oh, no, it's this. This is the problem. I bet that's the issue. Okay, there we go. That works. Okay, so screen shake can be turned on and off. Aim follow left joystick can be turned on and off. Speedrun timer can as well. Enemy outline doesn't, for some reason. Enemy outline toggled affects this when it should be affecting gameplay settings. Dot enemy outline is equal to toggled on. Okay, that works. That works. Let me get my controller and make sure that this actually works. So, all right, this is following my cursor. And then if I go down to settings, this is not. Okay, cool. Those are controlled differently. Screen shake is on. So if I add an AK, screen shakes. Screen no longer shakes. Speedrun timer's off, enemy outline's off. If I spawn in, I don't think DPS dummy can even have it actually. Settings, enemy outline definitely can't. This guy can though. So he's got an outline, and if I go into settings and turn this off, he still has an outline. Cool. Why? What the fuck is his name? It's like Flying Beam Enemy or whatever. Yeah, close enough. So if I take a look at his material, his enemy is true. Ideally, this shouldn't be true anymore, though. Console.print rendering server dot global shader parameter get enemy outline. This is really upset about me using this, by the way, so I'm gonna try not to. That's obviously not gonna be there forever, but no. Oh, huh. What? Why is this null? I'm actually like a little surprised by that because this should be just set to like true or false, right? Like if I just say like true, or if I just say false, this should just like... Cool, that's nothing. Rendering server dot global shader get list. Huh? What? Wait, I'm actually like so confused now. Rendering server global shader parameter set toggled on. So if I do that here, this is the exact same line, right? Basically, yeah, that's so weird. So wait, is it because this is part of like a deferred thread or something? What the hell is this? No, definitely isn't. Is this being overwritten somewhere? Let me just reload this. I swear we're having the same exact reactions even though we're working on different code. Honestly, dude, I feel like it doesn't really matter what you're doing. You're always like flipping between some form of like, I am God or I am the worst programmer of all time. Like, what is this? Because you're obviously calling set enemy outline, and this is obviously setting this to false. But if I bring this code back and just say false here. Okay, well now it doesn't work. Cool. Oh, that's sick. What? Like, what? Is this on like a different thread or something? I actually don't understand. Because if I called this exact line of code, but inside of gameplay settings under set enemy outline right here. Yeah, like this is the exact same. And then under settings, if I just comment that out, turn on and off the enemy outline so it's on. If I go into gameplay settings.gd, and I now say enemy outline, you are now being forcibly set to false. No matter what you get set to. Okay, now it works. Cool. No, yeah, that's fine, dude. Did I like fuck something up? Probably. Let me copy this line of code and then we're going to go back really quickly because what did I do wrong? How did I do wrong? No, these are the exact same lines of code. Whatever. I don't care enough to fix it. If it works, it works. Whatever, dude. Whatever, man. Oh, just kidding. It doesn't work anymore. Oh, now it works in... Maybe this guy's just fucked up. Okay, no outline. No outline. Okay, cool. Cool. Okay, that works. I don't care. I don't know why it works this time, but it does. Cool. So if I turn all of this off, set my skin to orange, set my override mode to keyboard. That might actually need a save thing on it, but I'll just do this. Did it save everything? Orange and autos. This didn't get saved. That's mostly okay. What does that save as in the file system? Glyph override is 1. Okay. Oh, that's probably... I think that's actually the settings menu didn't update it correctly. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that saves it. I can get rid of these buttons. Okay, I think that's good to go. Let me make sure that these are set up correctly. So we're on Kali. We have controller glyphs only, which is not working. That's really cool. But if I close the game and reopen it, it looks like it works. Hopefully, potentially, probably. Okay, screen shake wasn't saved, and that's cool, I guess. What? You don't need to be there. Oh, no, I guess you do need to be there, huh? Bizarre. Override? Cliff override, that's what it's called. Yeah. So I think if I restart the game now, this should... Hello, Ryan K. Hawkins? How's it going? Yeah. Covino was here a bit ago. Good evening. You're gonna do horrid things to Biddy when you get on Discord? Don't do that. It's not particularly cool. We don't like horrid things all the time. Most of the time, actually ever. Okay, so the problem here is that this is using apply video settings, which actually can just be killed, I think. I don't think apply video settings matters anymore. Apply video settings. Okay, that's gone. So if I restart the game, does this correctly save my screen shake? If it correctly saves screen shake, then I'm going to call the stream good because my brain is broken. So that worked. Hopefully, please, for the love of God. I've been coding for almost 3.5 hours. I need to like do some laps around my apartment, I think. Options. Okay, so save screen shake, it looks like. If I turn it off and back on, or turn it off and save, then hopefully that saves. Yay! And then if I go into game, does it actually does it do it? Sure does. If I hold R, it'll start a run, and if I hold R, it'll start a run, which is sick because of the speedrun enabled option. Oh, finally. Okay, cool. Alright, that's basically done. I guess the only thing... Well, no, I'll do that off stream. I don't really care. I just moved it over to an actual class that isn't the settings menu, because having everything belong to the settings menu instead of belonging to a gameplay settings thing is terrible. But anyways, I'm gonna call the stream here because I am fucking tired. So thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you guys for hanging out. JW and I will be back on Tuesday, hopefully at 6:30 p.m. EST. So a little bit after right now on Tuesday. I should be doing this. JW would yell at me if I didn't do that. So there's Dante's 9. You can wishlist on Steam if you want. But I will catch you guys later. We hopefully will have the playtest actually updated tonight, provided no more bugs are found. JW found bugs with pathfinding and things, but they were fixed. So good night, everyone.
Bye bye.